Into the fascinating world of binary options.
See the live button there.
It's late at night and we're ready to go trade. We tried to trade earlier today and it just did not seem like it was gonna work. So we're
No.
back. We're here on day 5 of our new plan. We've reunited together as a team, and we're doing pretty good. Let's see if we can do it
We
again.
ain't
man.
lost yet. We ain't lost our butts. That's good.
Yeah, that's good. We ain't lost our butts. We're on day 5, and we're gonna fortify at day 6 and then head back down. Whatever. I don't know what else we're gonna do. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? It's a good day to try to win some trades. I got a new web camera coming. This one looks pretty good, I guess. I look okay for an old guy. All right, let's surf these
I
charts.
think our setups are working. Look at Pfizer real quick. I'm not going to take it, but just as because I don't know how it's going to end actually, but I just want to see if the next candle's going to do, just to see if it's going like the way I think it's going to go tonight. Okay. Because the MACD and the stochastic are both oversold, and
yeah. Well,
but it is kind of in a boxy area, so I just took a glance.
Yeah, I was gonna say it didn't really.
The way it's been going up and down, this looks
It
kind of
dojed and didn't really engulf the next level necessarily. I'm gonna look around, see what's going on. Make sure
there's a lot of back and forth there. I know that.
Yeah, there's a lot of back and forth there.
But first,
yeah, what is it? But first,
I don't know.
No, you're lame.
What are you eating?
Eat me some protein power pack.
Well, but first, finish chewing your protein.
Okay, man, let's do this thing. Well, that did do what you thought it was going to do.
It did. I just wanted to see as, hey, it's our buddy. That didn't take him long. How you doing, Alex?
No, good night, man.
Alejandro. It's the H is silent, right? Alejandro.
Yeah, Alejandro.
Alejandro.
You're such a dweeb.
I don't know how to say it.
Alejandro, man.
Alejandro. He said I could call him Alex.
Just call him Alex, because you don't know how to speak.
I don't know. My Spanglish ain't that good, man.
NZDJPY kind of did what I thought it might do. Kind of turned and went down. The charts are definitely moving better than they were.
But either way, Alex, I'm glad you're here. Glad you're listening in, and look forward to chatting with you while we do this. For those of you that don't know where he's from, he is watching us on what platform? He's watching us on YouTube. But we are streaming to Twitch, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and who knows what else.
Something else.
I'm going to go over to Facebook right now and share this on my private feed, just so that people can watch us win again.
Do you think your friends really care about you?
No. They don't give two craps. Dude, they wouldn't pee on my teeth if my gums were on fire.
Yeah.
But I'm still going to share it anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me.
What is wrong with you?
I don't know. I had to burp. Ain't you never burped before?
Not every night.
A couple of people watching us already on. I probably shouldn't do that. That is rude to do that when you're like on a live stream. I forget that like people are watching us and I just burp into the microphone.
You're such a
like,
dude.
What is wrong with me? I apologize. Please excuse me. my rudeness to anybody who had to listen to that. And if you're wearing headphones, I really apologize. Or headphones or AirPods or whatever fancy thing there is now. I still have.
I
old
hate
school
AirPods,
headphones.
dude. They suck.
I don't keep those things in my ears, dude. I wear old school headphones. They sound the best, and you know, um,
Mm. I
what
still
about
have.
what about Haley? Is Haley watching? Haley, are you watching us right now? If
I
you
still got
are,
nothing, dude. Actually, FedEx could go up soon. FedEx is going up. I don't know that it's.
okay, just so everybody knows, well, mainly us. We're at $290, $440, $11, and $27.50. Those are our trade amounts, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for level 5. Um, Odd NZD. It is at a pretty nice level of resistance right now, but I think it might go up one more.
Oh my gosh, what the heck did I just do? I just put on a fiber cunny. I don't know. There's second level. Yeah, it might go up to that second level.
Yeah,
It kind of needs to because the.
I feel like it's going to go up beyond that first one.
Okay, so take a
I mean,
3-minute
it
call.
already kind of has, but okay. But look back in its history. Do you see any of that? Any of our strategy in its history?
Hmm,
Kind of
really.
makes a difference.
It hasn't really done it. There's no engulfing candles.
I don't see that.
Except right here on this small downtrend, then it engulfed and went up.
Hold on. Wait, where?
Right here, it went down, and then this candle engulfed and it went up. Went down, it engulfed and went up.
But
I mean, it's been going up for a while, so here
now on
it
the
almost
other
did.
side of it, go back to the other side. Keep scrolling. Keep scrolling. Wrong
mean-
way.
This way,
Yeah, right up
yeah,
there.
it kind of did. Engulfed and hit there and went down. It did it here too, kind of.
Right, and at the bottom of that, look at the bottom of that first line. Okay, go back up a few candles. Right there, right there. So red candle, little green candle, but then
Yeah,
bigger
that.
green candle, but then big red candle, engulfing red candle, and then back down.
All right, yeah, and then it did it at the bottom here too. When that candle engulfed, it went up.
But
So-
usually we don't take it on the reverse. Like when it continues the trend, we take it on the fallback.
Jeez, bless you.
Okay. Where's it at? Because it's starting to throw a red candle right now. But that was a major wick. I mean, look at that.
Yeah, I don't know. This didn't.
However, well, we're late to the party either way. But
well, I don't know. It's crossing and engulfing this one. So, I mean, if you think it's going down now,
but it's real close to the white line. And
good.
it's already throwing the candle. The crossover candle is already happening. Like
Yeah,
the stochastic and MACD are both overbought.
yeah. I'm not sure it's going down. It might.
I
Good
mean, like this
here.
candle's probably gonna be red, but I don't think there's gonna be another one after it.
Man.
Bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
Alejandro's killing it tonight, dude.
Mhm.
So he's had a win-win loss, win-win loss, win-win loss.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so he needs one more win for 4 net wins. There you go.
Nice. Okay. All right.
Did your cat place a trade? That's what I want to know. It says his cat placed a trade. Yeah, one more win. You got it. You nailed it.
That's a pretty good record there.
Real good record. See, I don't know. You would have had to enter this odd NZD right when it engulfed that green candle. You could
Okay,
have
look up at USD RUB right now. Check it out. We got about 30 seconds to figure this out.
Okay. Yeah, I mean it's at a definite line. It's definitely reached its line. It kind of went through its line. Now it's
Right.
going back down. It's crossing.
It's It's cricking down, but this is a big
Pretty
candle.
big, but still, I mean, it's probably going down. It's cracked down.
You want me to take this one?
I mean, especially now, it engulfed the second candle.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
you could take it. It probably is, dude. It's
Should I
crossing
take it
down.
now?
Just wait. Yeah, just take it when it's ready. Yeah, take it now. Yeah, it engulfed that one. That was pretty big.
Yeah. And I think it's going to continue down. This is a pretty good one here. Oh yeah, I think this one's going to go down.
I mean, it's definitely crossing through the stochastics, crossing through the oversold. MACD was pretty much cricking. I mean, we'll see how that goes, folks. It's kind of stuck on that line, but I think it wants to break.
It wants to break down.
Why did it break so far and then it like kind of retracted? It'll go. Let's see. Stochastic. What is stochastic going to do?
It's going to push down, dude. I think it's going to push down.
It's kinda
I'm
being
saying that
stubborn.
because I want it to. I don't know.
Come on now. It's being stubborn. Come on.
Nope. Okay. Then the next candle's probably going to do that.
Well,
I'm just kidding.
I don't know. I don't know what it's going to do now. It might go back up.
Well,
What
I guess
felt
the candle was just kind of big, you know.
Yeah, it was kind of big.
If it
But
engulfs
then
the
again-
second candle, I think it's kind of that should scare us off, kind of.
Well, I don't know because it engulfed the second candle, but it ended above the second candle. We might should have waited till it actually really engulfed it because, again, that top candle is kind of a doji.
Yeah.
Not really a doji, not technically a doji, but you know. All right, you should go to 440 and let's reset.
I am at $4.40. Got the decimal in there. We are looking for something similar.
Looking for the exact same thing.
Or the exact same thing we saw before, but better. But a win this time.
Euro NZD. Look at it. Okay. I don't know that it's at a line. Well, it kind of is. It's been at a line. That's an engulfing candle. I don't know that it's
not
heading
really
back.
at a line of resistance or anything. This
No,
looks like it could go back
kind of
up.
wants to be more like up
Yeah.
here. This is the line up here.
Yeah, I think it needs to be going up more.
That's
This
more
is-
like the line that it's going to have to hit. Which I think this one might actually be a good one to watch. That one might actually win. Not this entry, but like if it gets up to that line, it could turn around.
Yeah,
That
that's
was-
a stronger line for sure.
Okay, Pfizer is actually at the bottom. It's hit a line right now. It's kind of farting around. I can't say we're going to be able to enter this one because it's got such crazy
Yeah.
whack candles.
It's
It's
already
got
had two dojis.
Yeah, it's
and
two
it didn't
dojis.
go
It's
up.
kind of so that one's not really. That's the only thing is that is a line down
This
there,
is
but,
probably going to keep going down if anything else.
but it's oversold, and it's at a line.
That it is. Yeah.
I don't know where it could engulf though. I guess it. I don't know because I mean, if it went down a couple more candles, maybe. There's another line down there. There's another line down here. Really a strong one there. So I'm gonna watch that one too. I'm gonna watch Euro NZD and Pfizer. Euro NZD is still going up. Hasn't Euro NZD kind of okay? Watch Euro NZD because it's gonna turn around soon. I don't know that this is the turnaround. That's an engulfing red candle though.
Okay, you're well, Apple is at a line right now, but
Yeah, it is.
this candle's not going to engulf that one. There's no way. It's too big. And if it did, I would be scared to take it.
It's not that far away from the line. It's not that far away from the white line,
the
is
white
it?
line, right.
Like it's probably going to go back up from here. The MACD is not oversold. It's probably just, in fact, this is probably just another pause before it heads back up. 160 and closed 130. Were you on a put? I hope. I guess. Yeah. Huh. I don't know what that means. Mm. Mm.
Netflix is kind of interesting.
Look at Twitter. Twitter might be. Twitter kind of hit a line.
It's at
Twitter's
58%, bro.
okay. Visa. Yeah, nothing. Oh, wow. USDRUB, dude. Look at that. It hit the white line. 15 seconds. It might engulf the. Yeah, I think that one could go up. I mean, it's not oversold, so don't take it. It's not oversold at all. It's actually heading down. It just seems like it's going to bounce.
USDRUB?
Yeah, it just seems like it's going to bounce off the white line, but it's not. The stochastics and stuff aren't right.
No.
It doesn't match the.
It's probably going to consolidate there.
Okay.
Usually we don't take retractions. That's not really.
Yeah, your NZD actually. Dang it! It actually did it. It actually engulfed and went down, headed to the white line. Pfizer. Okay, Pfizer is kind of engulfing. I mean, if it goes above, it's not really in our method either. It's in a box still. Never mind. I'm just watching it, but it probably shouldn't be. Yeah, we're looking for this. American Express, bro. It went up to the white line. It just now. Yeah, I can't tell you to take that one either. These are all happening kind of fast.
Something that's going way up is NZDJPY. That's just kind of like way up there. It's way overbought.
Okay. Yeah, let me see where any lines on that one. Like right here.
Maybe
right
a ways
here.
back, but
Way back. Here. It must be way up there. Oh, yeah, that's way up there. So it could turn around. It's been doing that. It's been going up and turning around. It's going to
do you
return
see
to the
anything
white.
in its history? I'm not seeing.
No, there's nothing
Well,
up there.
there is some way down there. Yeah, sort of at the bottom. There's one or two.
Yeah, I mean the last.
But we don't know where the turnaround's going to be because there's no real point of resistance to. Base it on.
Actually, it's sitting on a massive line. It opened right where it's at.
Mm-hmm.
Back here, look at that. Look at my screen. It opened right there. It's like a massive line. That's where it opened.
Well, and it kind of dojied out there with that green
and it
candle.
fell.
So whether or not it's going to keep going up, the stochastic is starting to crick. I feel like
I think
played it
if
for 2
this
minutes
engulfs, you could take it. If it really engulfs, like if it looks like it has big down pressure, I don't know. If it just stays up here, no. But if it looks big and doesn't
Should I
retract,
take it now or wait?
no, because it could retract. You don't know. Like I'm
We
saying,
don't know.
this one has to be. I think this would have to be a real candle, like a real solid down pressure candle. It looks like it's going to be, but
we
just
want it
wait.
to get real big though.
No, just wait because it could.
Yeah,
just
because
jump
we
back
don't
up.
want it. We don't
We
want
don't
it
want
to
it to turn into
expire.
we don't want it to turn. Yeah, it engulfed that one. It turned around. It's retracting. It's definitely got a tail. I mean, you could take those soon if you think it's right. I don't know.
It's kind of a healthy retraction. I mean,
Yeah, I mean it could go down. I'm kind of into it.
I'm going to take it because I think it's going to go down. I mean, it looks like it is.
Well, look at it. Yeah, it's crossing through oversold.
Well,
Dang,
that's not good, but
that's not good. But it might go.
it could totally wick out though and go back down. I mean,
It could. I mean, it just looks kind of weird right here. Like, why would it do that?
yikes.
Yeah, why would it do that? Dang.
It's like it knows my strategy. Okay, well, there's that.
My message is still displayed XD on TV. What's that mean?
Okay.
All right, you're going to $11.
Mm-hmm. What did we miss on that? Was there anything not textbook about that?
No. I mean, maybe it didn't get up. Maybe it didn't get up close enough. Oh,
Like I said, there was no line to compare it to because
maybe it didn't get quite up to the line, but that line's old. It's big. The line's been on there for a while. I mean, it was crossing. It was even crossing. I mean, that was a weird kind of turnaround. That thing was crossing. I mean, the MACD didn't look like it was turning around, but a MACD is oversold, overbought. I mean, the MACD's
What was
up
that?
there.
NZDJPY?
Yeah.
Yeah, because now it's like, see, it's still not wanting to break that line.
Yeah, it may go down.
Because look, that green candle went up to the top of that wick on that last green
Yeah.
candle.
Right.
And now it's wanting to go back down.
It would have to break. This candle would have to engulf this whole bottom and go down before we could take it at this point.
And at that point, you're already 2 candles in. It's too late.
Yeah. Okay, let's look for something. Oh, wow. Intel is definitely.
I'm on Intel.
It's definitely.
It's at a line sort of now, but
it's kind of at a nice line. Could go either way at this point. It's got different lines. It's got lines here. It's got lines there.
Here a line, there a line, everywhere a line.
But it's at a line for sure right now. If this candle.
It's kind of consolidating. I don't know if it's.
I don't know because it's.
That jumped up.
Yeah. I don't know, man. The MACD is still just kind of open. It hasn't turned. The stochastic is way down low.
Mm-hmm.
If this one were to actually break up and actually look like it was going up, I don't know.
I just don't know what this is going to do. It's still sort of in a box, It's
right. There's a little bit of a box right there.
It's very volatile, though. I mean, I feel like even if it does break out, we could call it, and it might just shoot back down.
Yeah, it's acting kind of ganky. It's not there yet. And maybe if it goes down a couple more red, maybe it's going to turn around. It hasn't turned around yet. I think we should keep our eye on it because it might turn around. It looks like it should. It looks like it should want to turn around. NZDJPY is finally. Yeah, still struggling to get down.
What is?
NZDJPY still struggling to get down. Even though it's crossed down. Well, I think Intel might. Yeah, it's still in a box. It's still in a box right now.
Mm-hmm.
This box is probably right about there. And when they get in the box, I'm not so sure we can.
No, it kind of disqualifies the whole thing, like I said earlier.
Yeah, that's in a box. That's in a box. We missed one on Tesla. That was a really good one.
Really?
That was like textbook entry, Tesla.
Yeah.
Yeah, that red candle engulfed and then boom.
But the MACD wasn't overbought.
Yeah, but the stochastic
but
was
it still
crossing.
did it. I mean, it still did.
The stochastic was overbought. I think that's the most key. Mm-hmm. Interesting night. Let's make sure we don't get our butts kicked here.
Mm-hmm. Holy smokes, gold looks like crap.
Does it?
I mean, yeah.
Oh, Intel just broke its box. which means nothing. We're just
which
going to
way
let it
did
go. It went down. So far, it's probably going to go down to that next level. We'll see. At some point, it's going to want to come up back to the white line. Maybe if it gets down to this next level, maybe it'll really
So
turn
Euro
around for us.
NZD right now. See, it's like broken this. So, but look, I mean, it's like that red candle is. I would never take that, dude. It's
Yeah,
right
it's on the white line.
and the MACD and stochastic are not in the right position.
They're like in the middle. Yeah. American Express.
Oh crap! Now Euro RUB, we're late to the party there, but and I don't know because that looks like consolidation. I don't think I'd have entered that anyway. But
Yeah, it looked like consolidation.
I might go up another one, but I'm not
I
chancing
mean, you could chance that one, but that's what
it.
was
It'd be foolish to chance that.
on a third trade, yeah. As we kind of want to be, yeah, because now it's going down.
Mm-hmm.
Intel broke down, then it broke back up. Can't trust that one. NZDJPY is still going up, but it still hasn't broken out. It still hasn't. It's action kind of weird. It's in a box too. It's really disqualified.
Yeah,
because it's been just going. American Express though.
that's what I'm on right now. American Express has a history of following the plan here. It goes down, goes up about 3 candles, 2 or 3.
Mm-hmm. That last one didn't though. It went up and engulfed, but it was a doji, so that was kind of iffy. But yeah, the other one did. As soon as it passed over, it went up and engulfed.
Mm-hmm.
It isn't engulfing. It's not. It's the first green candle of each set
is not an engulfing candle.
Yeah,
right.
It hasn't engulfed it. It just kind of. I mean, you might have to enter on the second engulfing candle. I don't know.
Well, then you're kind of late.
Well, every one of these, the second candle engulfs it and keeps going. There's like 4 green candles. But none of these two didn't engulf, and they just were single green candles.
What kind of a line? Okay, the one that didn't engulf there, the one that was a single green candle. What kind of a line was that on?
Well, it was right here. This is a line.
Was it on any kind of a support line?
Mm-hmm. Right there, it had hit that one almost. Right about there. Hit there.
Is that a strong line though?
It hit it once and bounced. Hit it once, bounced and hit it and went down again. American Express, where are we at? It doesn't have much behind it. Oh, yeah, it's at a it's going to take a while to get back down to this line, but this is a big line down here.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's a line right here. It's already past that one.
That line doesn't matter as much. Like I say, you can make a line anywhere you go on the chart.
Yeah, I mean, those are two. I made some pretty hefty lines, though. That's a hefty line back here. It was way back there, but still, look, it kind of hit it a bunch and never went under it.
Yeah.
That's a hefty line. And this one also is just a little minor line from more recent. No. Where's that line coming from? Way back? That line's coming from way back there. Hit it here. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, it's about to hit a pretty major line right now.
Isn't a nice stair step down, like a nice waterfall.
It's about to hit a line. It's about to hit a pretty massive line. Yeah.
You think it's going to turn around soon, or you think it's?
I don't know.
Still has down pressure.
Yeah, the stochastic hasn't really decided to come out of it yet. MACD is still kind of pointing down.
Okay, so now it's kicking up there, but do you think it's going to end up going up? Still wanting to pull down. I don't feel confident getting down.
No, it's not an engulfing candle yet. It's definitely showing its reluctance up that candle.
Yeah.
Now,
I
if
think
this
it
one
might.
if this one engulfs that candle, then yeah, I might be willing to take it. It's going up. I mean, it's
How many is it going to go up? Is the question.
I don't know.
Do you think if this dips, I should take it now
Yeah, maybe if it dips below that.
or now?
Yeah, right now.
Okay, we'll take it. We'll see what happens. There's our opportunity. We'll see if it goes up from here because I think it is going to go up. I mean, it feels like it's going to go up. I sense the pressure in it. So
Yeah, I do too, and I think it got low enough.
I just hope that it
A
keeps
lot of
going
these
up. We
charts
need
tonight, dude. A lot of these charts, especially this one, has not engulfed the first candle. It's the second candle that's engulfed. You know?
Right. Now this one hopefully will continue upward. I don't
And
want
not
it to
like
go back.
consolidate down. Yeah, I think it's going to be good. I mean, look at stochastic. Look at MACD.
Yeah,
It's just
they're
going to
tricking
wick a
up.
little bit. It's just going to wick a little bit, and it's going to head right back up. 9 seconds. Yeah, I mean, I think that was just barely. You got an amazing position on that candle, dude.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job, man.
We are in the game, bro. I'm gonna reset the trade back to
First win, and that was a little bit of
$2.90.
profit. You got $2 profit off that, dude.
Wait, did we? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
we did.
Yeah, because you
Wait,
started
holy crap! Yeah, we did.
because I'm telling you, the 1.5 gives you profit, especially if you're into the third trade. We were in a third trade, dude.
Right.
So,
But we weren't really nervous about it either.
no, but I think this was a good choice because every candle that has done this has not engulfed the first time. And I mean, I guess you were right when it dipped because if you hadn't got the dip, we would have lost. If you would have just
Right.
entered it when it crossed through,
Right.
that would have been bad because it did go down. I mean, it
Mhm.
started going down. Maybe though. No, you wouldn't have. You wouldn't have. That was a good win though. So thank God.
It was a good win.
Alejandro, we got it, man.
Got
We're gonna
a
make this
win.
happen. We're gonna make this happen. Watch this. Here we go. All right. You're
Did you write down the where we was to start with, so we know?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you know when we're gonna clear.
Yeah,
the
I've got to
level.
get this account's got to get to 116. So we've
Okay.
got to get about $9 more, maybe.
Okay, gotcha.
So that really counts as one. That really counts as a net win, probably because of the 1.5.
You think so?
Yeah, Alejandro. Also on your chart,
Well, it only made us like $1 something because my account was at 25 something before.
right. Basically, it's 4 net wins, but it depends on how you're making up. Because if you're martingaling at 1.5, we are going by the dollar amount that we have to win for the day. So like on this day right here, we have to win $11.27. So he started at 425.36. What are you at now?
426.86.
Yeah. So now he's got $1 more. So I mean, he still might have to win 4 net wins. But if we go to a fourth trade and win it, that nets you more profit than
Take a look at Visa real quick.
than just doing that. So it's just
I only say that because it's looking ripe
Okay,
for a
yeah.
turnaround.
So in other words, if you're doing this, you look at
yeah.
the night. Okay, yeah. You got it.
So check the levels here.
I got a minute here to look. There's nothing back there. I mean, it's okay. It's at a line, kind of. Yeah, it's at a pretty decent line. There was a ceiling and there was a floor. It's obeyed it both times.
I'm not sure if it's going to go up or down.
If this engulfs, I'd take it.
It is. Yeah, it looks like it will. Maybe not the wick, but well,
it just
it's
needs to
kind of going
engulf
up
the body.
and down.
It's at that line. So just wait. Give it a minute. We'll see what happens in the last 20 seconds.
Could end up just going back down altogether.
Yeah,
You know,
you're
like
at a line. You're kind of at a line. It may just go back down. Yeah, I don't know, man.
Or it's fighting that line.
Watch it because it's starting to.
I don't think I'm going to enter this right at the.
Yeah, don't do it. It's not going to engulf.
Because I don't know
anyway.
what it's going to do.
It's not enough pressure. I don't know. I just stay away from this one right now.
Yeah, I have a feeling it's going to work its way up.
I don't know. I mean, if it dips down, I guess you could take it if you think it's going to do it.
You want me to take it now?
Yeah, I would. Yeah. If you think it's gonna, if you think
I
it's
think
gonna
ultimately, I do think it's going to go upward. Yes. How soon? I don't know, but I hope soon because I want to win this. But
it's kind of like scaring me there.
it is scaring me crap.
Well, no, hold on. It's still hope. No, there's no hope now.
Not at this point. Well, who knows? It could wick out and pull up.
We
It's
got
got
30
some
seconds.
volatility, so it could pull up. It's
This,
got 30
yeah, this
seconds.
candle could end and just shoot up. It is wanting to go up and it's trying to cross. The stochastic's trying to cross.
Yeah, this could go way up. Yeah, actually, this is gonna.
I think you might be right. It might, a 2-minute trade might have been more my feeling, but still, if this ends and goes bounces, or if it just feels like it wants to go down, who knows?
I don't know.
Yeah, it looks like a downer to me. All right, go to 440. Go to 440.
And then take the next down. Ride this down here. No, I'm just kidding.
No, but that was kind of gutsy because that didn't engulf, and it. I don't know.
But none of them have been tonight for some odd reason.
When I started looking at this method, I really started feeling like, well, look at the top of this red candle line up here. That red candle was perfection. Even though it was on the white line, look at it. It engulfed and went straight down. So I guess you never really know. And we really screwed that one.
Yeah. Well, we're on a second trade again. That's annoying, but at least we're making some profit on our trades. Now, is this hitting a line again? Is this possibly going to turn around again?
What is this, Visa?
Visa, yeah. Because now it's going green again. I don't know that I want to get back in on it, but I want to see what it is.
I don't know. No, it's not going to hit.
Okay, so it's not at any kind of a massive line like.
It was when we entered, but it broke that line, obviously. But I'm talking way back there. Okay, it's at another. It was at the ceiling of that, and now it's at the floor. Now it's getting closer to the floor, but it's gonna have to get a little bit further down there. Like I think it could go down from here. You know, I think it's gonna go down. I think it's gonna, whatever it does, I think it's gonna go down to that floor.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's kind of in between the ceiling and floor right now. So let's just hold off because. Well, let's watch it because when it hits that floor here pretty soon, it might, if like this next candle's red.
It's going to turn around at some point.
Yeah.
There's no way it's not.
I'm wanting to, but it's also very strong on the downside.
See, like Netflix, look how it turned around. It kind of did that red, green, red, and then went down red.
Yeah,
and
that's
now
crazy.
It's kind of cricking back up. I mean, I'm seeing a lot of weirdness today that I didn't see the last 2 days. So
Netflix is probably going to the white line, but maybe not. I don't know. What's it? Visas are okay. You look at Visa, you see the line on my screen. Well, wait a minute. It's kind of hit the bottom. If this candle engulfs and you think it's going up, you could call it because that candle did engulf, and that actually has up pressure.
You want me to try it again?
If it's a perfect entry, let's feel it. I mean, if you think
it's out of line, right? You got it.
Yeah,
out of line?
It's hit the line, and it's kind of bouncing back up. So you could take this. It's going. It might go up. It could.
There we go.
It could consolidate and go back down like it's wanting to.
It's
but
not
then again,
looking like a consolidation to me.
Right. That's
not
what I'm saying.
in any kind of a box, but
that's what I'm saying. It looks like it wants to go up. The stochastic does want to go up. It did engulf that candle fully.
Up, so.
Yeah, I think this one could win. It hit its line. I mean, it went through that first one. It hit this one and retracted. So it is retracting right now from that line.
There we go.
I think it's going to win. So Alejandro, on your chart for like your night, if you're supposed to win $12.50, then you're thinking like, yeah, it might be 4 wins or it might be 5. It might be if you win 4 straight wins, it would be good. But if you do like a win, loss, win, loss, win. You might end up getting to your $12. There you go. Look at that win.
We got
There you
this,
go, man.
bro. We got this one.
That's
Boom.
your method right there. Bam. Win. And we got a little bit of profit. We got 65 cents profit from that.
Okay.
It's moving a little slow, but
So now we're resetting to $2.90. You're at $2.90. Okay. Back in at a first trade again.
So that scenario was much better because that green candle before that we tried to trade on was not a turnaround candle. We forced that and we lost it.
Well, okay, I want you to notice something about it. It doesn't start, and I don't know, but it seems to make a difference. It's not even with the
At the bottom,
with the bottom. It doesn't start at the same price point as the red candle before it.
that little red green one that we messed up on.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it does.
No, it doesn't. It looked like it popped a little bit. This
But
one
these
started
two
exactly.
did. They
Boom,
started
boom.
exactly at the same, and it makes it. I don't know why, but it seems to make a difference.
Yeah, now it's going to consolidate and do something weird, so we should get off this one.
We should. Yeah. It has served its purpose. Thank you, Visa, but now we're done with you. For now.
Intel is. Yeah,
I'm on Intel too. Yeah.
I mean, I wish we would have seen that. I don't think it's going to be a good entry now, but
It wasn't an engulfing.
it's given us about 2 candles each time.
Yeah, that's about all you're getting.
And tonight's a lot harder than the other night.
It is, but it's better than it was this afternoon.
Yeah, this afternoon.
There was nothing.
Oh man, look at Tesla. Oh crap. Now don't take Tesla, but I mean don't take it, but just look at it. It definitely engulfed and it's definitely cricking up, but the MACD is kind of down. I wouldn't take it. This chart's kind of
I'm not
ganky.
take it. I'm not gonna.
This chart's kind of ganky. It didn't cross all the boxes because the MACD is wide open.
This chart has a big tendency to consolidate.
Yeah. I mean, I think that might win. That could win. It looks like it hit the bottom. It hit a bottom. It hit a line and it bounced off of it. But man, I don't know. This chart's been bouncing up and down all night. Euro RUB is actually more ripe right now. Get your eyes on that one. Because
Euro RUB, it's at 62%.
Dang it, you sucker. Okay. It's actually in a perfect position too.
But yes, it is in a good position. But yeah, it's only at 62. Yep. It's not worth risking for $1.80.
No. I'll just shut some of these down that are losing position.
Euro NZD, no. Didn't start at the same price point. The red candle didn't engulf. Although the MACD...
Euro NZD, yeah. I mean, that...
I think I should take it. Should I take it down? It's kind of moving up.
Hold on.
It's kind of consolidating.
No, don't take it down yet. Don't do it yet. Because it's going to go back. If it's going to go up, it's going to go up to that line.
But if it's going down, I want the position. So
it didn't engulf, though.
No, it didn't. But the stochastic is.
If this next candle engulfs the bottom of that previous green one, then I would be more likely to say just take the next candle. But right now, you're in a straight uptrend with single red candle.
So this does not meet the criteria.
No.
Take a pull.
Plus the MACD is heading up right now. Right. If this second candle engulfs, I would be more likely to say, yeah, take the next one down. But it doesn't look like it's even going to engulf that second. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It's probably going to consolidate now. Yeah.
Yeah.
This would be your 5-minute call right here.
Are we on a law? No, we're on first trade.
This would be your 5-minute call because it went red, and then the next candle was green, and you could call it for 5 minutes and probably win.
No, to make the call, the next candle has to be an engulfing candle.
Oh,
so that green candle would have had to have overtaken the red one.
Well, then stinker bomb.
And they have to start at the same price point, which those do. But
okay, this one
is working its way down. This is one where I would put it for like 3 or 4 minutes from the top. And I have done that, but I don't know how long it's going to do that.
You'd have to wait till it gets back up there then.
Right, because it is going down.
If this
But-
candle engulfs though and goes down, like if this candle engulfs the bottom of that next candle, which is not going to yet, then yeah, wait for your next green candle. There's a stochastic is going up again.
Mm-hmm.
If you
It looks like it's all getting lower though.
Yeah, if you waited till it got back up to like the top of one of those last two candles, you could put it for 4
because
minutes.
ultimately I do think it's going to go down. I don't think it's going up higher for now.
Well, wait for a higher position and give yourself 4
Because this
minutes.
candle looks like it's 10-1.
Yeah,
I think I should take like a 3 or 4 minute put.
at when it gets to the top.
When it change my time here. What, 3 or 4 or 3? 3 and a
Three's
half.
probably good enough. Three's probably fine.
Tell me
It's
when.
gonna-
and
It's
I'll
gonna have to
take
be
it.
high position. No, you need to wait till it gets up to the top of that previous red candle.
Okay. If it's
See
going
that
back
previous
up there.
red or green candle? If it goes up there,
I don't think it's going back up there. But I mean, we're going to wait and see if it does.
well, it is
'cause-
going to, because right now it's not breaking that. See, it's gonna go back up there.
Nope. Now we're looking more like 1 minute.
No, it's not. No, it's not. It's gonna go back up there.
I don't think so.
Just wait. It hasn't broken that line yet. It's barely breaking it. It's not breaking
It's
it.
broken it now.
No, it still just doesn't want to.
Maybe not.
Wait till it goes up to the top. Stochastic's going down, the MACD's starting to turn, but it's still fighting that layer. I'm nervous about that big green candle back there. It hasn't broken it. Okay, it finally broke it. You could put a 1 minute trade in now, probably, at the end of this candle. Or a 2 minute if you want.
I think 1 or
That's-
2.
But that's still not strong. See, wait. Because
Yeah.
because like now it's still not wanting to get under there. We're not in a good position. It's not high enough. There you go. You could do a 1 minute from here probably once this ends. If you think it's gonna go, yeah, you could probably do it 1 minute from here.
Well, we're already into it. Should I wait for it to let up or should
Yeah, I guess. I don't know that it's
take
going
it?
to.
Because now it's kind of like low.
Wait till it just retracts a little bit and take a 1 minute. There you go.
Tell me when.
Yeah. Now,
Oh,
well,
missed that.
get
Hold on.
your feels, man. Get your feels. When it bounces back up there, go for it. Or don't, because it's about ready to.
I don't know. I don't know what it's going to do from here, but I think
Yeah,
we'll
just-
probably get a bigger candle on the next one. So if this retracts, I'll take it.
Yeah, just feel it and take it when you feel it retracting.
There we go. I'll take it there. And then
Yeah,
if this
The
pushes down a
MACD,
little
if
bit,
the MACD crosses, you've got this one. The MACD is going to
I
cross.
think it's going to
right now.
push down before it closes. So we'll close below our line, I think.
Come on, MACD. Come on. There we go.
It crossed. Okay.
There we go. That's a MACD open towards the white line. That's a pretty good position. Yeah, I think you got it. Are you getting nervous here, bro?
Well, no.
30-second candles is going up now on my end after a big red candle on the chart. You guys are, yeah. I'm in 30-second candles is going up now on my end after a big red candle. Yeah, because, 30-second candles are not going to give us much insight, probably. Looks like that's a nice win. Okay. Yeah, you
Okay,
could have
so
won.
that's our first like net win.
Is it? There you go.
I think so. Play the happy dance.
Oh yeah, man, 109. Look at that. Badito, bam, bam. But that's still what
So
our goal tonight.
We need like probably 3 more wins to actually.
Yeah, our goal
clear
tonight was to win 1127, and we won about $5. So yeah, we're about halfway there.
Okay, in the words of Bon Jovi.
Wow, this is a little bit harder going tonight.
Yeah, 232 was our profit on the last one.
We're halfway there. Well, we read that one just because we know what we're doing, but
Yeah, that's true. Well, we saw it stepping
well,
down.
right, it's stepping down, I think.
But how far is it going to go? You think it's going to, not that I want to change over to waterfall method here, but
No,
Do
we're
you think
only
that's
4
gonna
deep.
hit?
No,
Let's
it
just
could go
for-
up at any time, dude.
Forget what I just said. Let's keep looking for another one of these.
Okay, yeah, because that could go up at any time.
Oh
It's
yeah,
it's out of our realm now.
it is. Yeah.
Amazon though. Oh crap. Amazon might be actually turning around, like we were just looking at. Look at Amazon. Is Amazon even in?
No, it's not
It's
even
at
on my
44%.
list.
Okay, it's 44%. Sorry.
You gotta update your
I'm
stocks
trying
here.
to. They keep dropping out. Yeah, there's not that many at 80% tonight. That's the problem.
Dadgum, what is wrong with me?
I don't know what's wrong with you, man. You got some kind of problem.
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Yeah, drink some tea.
Tea for that one. That's what I'm talking about. Alex is my man, dude. Because he likes tea, man. That is my
Tea.
drink right there. I love tea. That is what I
goes-
drink. You know?
Where did? Let's go. Okay. Let's see.
Okay, bro. Intel is headed up to a nice
Okay. Yeah, it is. I see it.
resistance line.
It's right there. It actually hit it just now. Almost. It might wick a little bit.
I think it may still go up another 1 or 2 here.
Yeah, it's got a little bit. It's got a little bit of room to go before it hits the total wicks up there. This is a strong uptrend, though. I'd have to see a fully engulfing
I
red
don't
candle.
see any real history. Well, there's one way down there. Yeah, there's only like one at the very bottom, at the crossover where the blue and yellow crossover. I don't know. See, that's not, to me, this is not high enough to trust this because I don't know that it's not going to keep going up, and it's not an engulfing candle, and it starts higher. They're not starting at the same price point.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's still gonna. I think it's still gonna go up 1 or 2.
Yeah, this is probably going to consolidate or try to go up. It's going to try to hit that line again.
Because it's still pushing up.
Yeah.
If I did anything, I'd probably call it. Well, I'm not doing anything, but if I were, and I'd probably be wrong, but
If this candle if this red candle
I still think this is going to push up, is what I think.
Yeah, I think so. But if it doesn't, if this candle happens to break the bottom of that green candle,
and we could
then you could put it for a minute if it actually really did it with some force. Because right now, if it's just going to
the
dance,
stochastic is crossed. It's like
the stochastic could come out of there. The MACD could turn with it, but I don't think.
I still feel like it's pulling up.
I don't think it will. I think it's got.
I think it's going to go up a few more candles because it's not quite to that line yet.
Yeah, it's not quite to the line.
Yeah. See, that's why I said if I did anything, it'd probably be a call. It's got some volatility. It's not sure where it wants to go. So I'm not taking nothing on this. Even at that, you know.
Well, yeah, because now it's got 3 minutes of down pressure. It could just turn around and go back up. It's done that before.
Well, yeah, and it ultimately, I still just feel like it's wanting to push up.
Yeah.
Okay, but another one, McDonald's, dude. McDonald's is overbought. It's almost at another line, a pretty strong one.
Right. It's doing the same thing, yeah.
Yeah.
If we could get it to go up one more green candle.
This one it has in its history, but they're not engulfing candles. You see that? That's what I'm noticing tonight is that the first candle is not really an engulfing candle. So
dang. So what do we do? Just read the pressure of that next candle and think like, is it going to do it?
Kind of what we have to do. I mean, because we're not quite to the resistance point here. So this could go up a little more.
Touched it and then went back down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Again. Yeah, almost all of these that have touched that line, like the last time it touched this line, it touched it hard, turned around one little red, and then just tanked. So, but your MACD and stochastic are still pointing up. I think it's going to touch this line again. It actually ended on that line. It didn't wick on that line. The last time it hit this line, it hit it. It ended dead on it. The next red candle started dead with it, and then it started going down.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it did last time.
And the MACD and stochastic were both way over.
They were both. They were both up there. So, and they're kind of like that now too. But I'm not sure. I think it's still got to hit that line.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it still hasn't hit it. I mean, it's hit it, but it hasn't really ended at it. Just hit it.
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Well, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
I don't know though. I'm kind of feeling like if it engulfs that green candle, just put it.
But is it going to keep going down, or
I don't know. That green candle's not that big. Probably could. Yeah, probably
Do
could.
you think it's going to go 3 candles?
It has been doing about 2 or 3 candles. Yeah, at least 3, 4, 2, 3.
I mean, I could take it now if you want, but
I don't know. Now it's kind of high. I wanted it to engulf that candle and act like it was going down. Not just, now
yeah,
no.
now I think it could push up.
Yeah, now no. I think it's not necessarily going down now. And it might, because it's been kind of going like one big green candle, then 2
Do you
or
want
3
me to take it
little-
now
No.
while it's up, or do you think it's
No.
going to go
Heck
up?
no. Heck no. I think it's going to hit that line. If it hits this line up here, and
For a minute or two?
if it yeah, but let's watch and see if what it does. It might bust through that line.
Might.
I think those were just.
We got 2 sideways dojis. So
I feel like we're going to get an engulfing candle soon, and then
Right.
it's going to be it. That's the new line to engulf. That line, the bottom line of those dojis in this green one. That's a bottom line now. If it comes up and hits that resistance and then breaks that again downward, that would be an engulfing candle in the direction we
See, I
think
feel like
going.
it's trying to get up there, but it can't seem to do it.
Right. It's trying to get up there. It hasn't got up there yet. Like now
Trying
it's
to
up
break
there.
through. See, there it goes. It's trying.
Like I think it's really, really wanting to break that.
It's going to be another green candle, probably. I think it's
Yeah.
going to push right through there like a hot knife through butter.
Yeah, but then it's going to turn around.
It will at some point. Or now, and then it'll consolidate. But I think it's just going to blow through there. That's my guess, anyway.
I don't know, man. It hasn't broken it yet. It hasn't even wicked above it yet.
No, it hasn't. It hasn't even broke the. So it's kind of, but it's still got a lot of up pressure. I mean, I still feel like it has a lot of tendency to want to push up.
Get ready to put this. If this engulfs this previous green candle, you could put it. But maybe that's me being crazy.
I think it is, dude.
It'd have to engulf it. It'd have to. Well, this is out of
I
our.
think it's either going to consolidate because it's in a box. I mean, you
Or
can draw
go
a
up.
box around it.
Yeah, it's going up. It's gonna. You're right. It's boxing right now. Man, you're right. Unless I was just thinking if that red candle shot down, like really engulfed that previous green, I think you could do it. But because I think that's what's going to happen. I don't think it's going to break this
Mm-hmm.
and keep going because the MACD is already overbought. Like it's already like another. You could probably don't do it, but you could put it next time it touched that line. You could just put it.
For like 3 minutes.
Yeah, you could put a 2 minute. Yeah, like Alejandro said, put it for 3 minutes right up here. Put it for 2 minutes
Now?
right. Yeah, right now. Right now it's up there.
Boom. There.
I mean, that's a 2 minute put on my strategy. Yeah, because it's bounced. See, it
I
hit
got it
here.
for 3, but
That's better. That's fine. So, like
of course, now it
Alejandro
wants to
said,
break through.
that's
No, I
So
think it's going to
Alejandro-
go down.
no, it's gonna go down, dude. It's what he's saying is it hit that line there and it went down.
All right, talk to
came up-
Alejandro for a minute. I'm gonna go pee real quick. I'll be right back.
Hit this level again.
Is that
The only
going-
thing I'm okay. I'll talk to Alejandro.
Okay, I'll be right back.
The only thing I was wondering about your strategy is you said when it breaks the support, you put it. So we kind of put it like right about at the support. I think we probably did what you're saying is it hit it back here and it bounced down. And then when it comes back down, it hits it again. Do you wait till it breaks through it or do you just wait till it hits it and then take a 3 minute put? So I think he's got a good position. I know you take a 2 minute put, but I think he's got a good position. I think it's going to bounce down from here. Any one of those that we would have put when it hit that line, though, we'd be winning. Even in any of these, we would when it touched it. But you said the other night, you said something like, I wait till it breaks the support. Do you wait till it goes above it and then put it? Or do you just wait till it touches it and then put it? He's got a minute and a half, and I think he's got a great position. I think this will be a win. Yeah, it hit the line 2 times. Okay, right. Yeah, it hit the line here, goes down, hit the line here, and then you put it for 2 minutes when it hits the line. Yeah, there you go. So you're killing it, dude. I like your strategy. You put it on the second touch. So as soon as you would have put it probably right here when it touched it, and you would have won in 2 minutes. Boom, boom. You could have put it here when it touched it and won in 2 minutes. Boom, boom. Yeah, you want to get it. I think his position's a little tiny low, but I was thinking like as soon as it touched that line, put it, boom. And then hopefully it keeps going down. I think it will because it's MACD double crossing right now. And let's see here. Let's see live trading tonight. That yeah. So Alejandro is telling me exactly what I thought. It hit this line. And then it went down, and the second time it touches the line, as soon as it touches it, he would take a 2-minute put. So like you could have taken it right there. You could have taken it right there. Anytime it touched that line. I'm not even
looking at your screen, so
yeah, I mean, you could have taken a put. Okay, so you see how it touched the line here,
right?
And then you go down, and it comes up here. As soon as it touches that line, he said he puts it for 2 minutes. Any one of these touches would have won because it wasn't going to break. It didn't break it. Okay, so Alejandro. Last question about this. You said it's a massive win on 30-second candles. Are you looking at 30-second candles to do your strategy? Or are you looking at 1-minute candles? Yeah, it's a massive win overall anywhere. But on 30-second candles, it kind of... Would you say... if you're doing your strategy on 30-second candles, then would you call this it touches the line, it goes down, it touches the line, it goes down, it touches the line, it goes down? I don't know, because I'm looking at a much longer line. That's a big line. Anyway, I'm just trying to figure out what you're doing. Trying to get clarity. Right here in 30-second candles, it looks like, it touched the line, it went down. It touched the line, it went down. He could have taken a 2-minute call, a put right here and won. Touched the line again, went down. That's where we hit it. But I was trading off this line back here. It touched it here, then it touched it there. That might be in 1-minute candles.
That's a big gap. Yeah.
That's a big gap, but in 1-minute candles, you can see we were waiting for it to hit that line.
Right. That's what.
But if he's working off 30-second candles and he's doing like a shorter, he must be, because it would take forever to do it the other way. He might be working off 30-second candles like this. So it goes up, hits this line, goes down, goes up, hits this line. As soon as it hits it again, like it created its own little line of hit it, retracted, hit it, retracted, hit it, retracted. That's the third time. I don't know. Alejandro, tell me if you're actually doing this strategy in 30-second candles with 2-minute trades. That would change how I'm vibing with what you're doing. I've been trying to figure out what you're doing. Okay. That's the fourth win.
Well, that was McDonald's. Nice win on McDonald's. Good time for the great taste of
we need about $4 more.
McDonald's.
We need about $4 more without another loss. That's 3 wins in a row.
Oh, nice.
Yes. Okay. Yes, or else it will take longer for setup.
Look at Intel. Okay, so Intel right at this moment is hitting a line where it hit way back. It went down, held up again, then went back, hit it again, down, and hit it again. Do you see that?
Yeah, hit it here, went down, yep. hit it. It's going to break it.
Usually third time in your theory is that third time's a charm. That's when it blows.
In my theory, the third to fourth time it's going to break it. And especially when it winds up, like these are 1-minute candles now, but if it hits it, goes down, goes up, no, goes way down, then it winds up down here and just hits it, goes down. This time, this is more likely going to go ahead and break it. But that's but then again, it's overbought on both indicators. So
Yeah,
it
way
almost
overbought on both of them, and
so
it's
this could turn and go to the white line.
But see,
Like
it's just had a red doji, then a nice green candle, then. So is it going to start a pattern of doji
right,
green, doji green,
it might. Yeah, we'd have to have a good engulfing candle on this.
and this still has up pressure. So, see, and then in the last few seconds, who knows? It might pull down. I don't know.
Yeah, but in his method with 30-second candles and 2-minute trades, it hit it once, it went down, it hit it again, and yeah, it looks like it's gonna go back down. It's already broken it. It hasn't touched it. It touched it here. and
So if
that
this
would have
goes
been
up, should we
around-
take another 3-minute put,
I don't
or do
know.
you
Let
think
me-
it's going to go through?
I gotta focus. I can't mix his method with mine right now. This one I'm not sure, dude. This one I don't know. This one doesn't really match our method.
It doesn't. No, it doesn't.
You know,
This-
we don't get too confused by.
I think this is going to go up. At some point, it's going to turn around. They're both overbought. So
Yeah.
it is due at some point, but whether that's now or in,
Intel. Let's just watch Intel because you're right. It is at a point where it could turn around, but it's been kind of bouncing and turning and continuing upward. It's at a pretty hefty line of resistance right now. So if it breaks this, which it already has, it makes me think it's going to go all the way up or consolidate on the floor. Like the ceiling has become the floor.
now it's pushing. This is kind of pulsing downward. But
it would have to
started
really
at kind of a
it would have to show some serious downage pressure.
it pulled back up as fast as it pulled down. So
Yeah, it would have to like USD/RUB is more likely to do anything than that is. It's got some big green candle. It's been going straight up. Unfortunately, this candle probably won't engulf. But go USD/RUB, dude. Check it out. If that candle
I'm there
engulfs down, then take it. I don't see why it wouldn't go all the way down if it engulfs it. But it might not engulf it, so don't take it if it doesn't.
it might not. It hasn't been stepping up very long. I mean, it's kind of.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
No.
Okay. You think it's going to consolidate?
It didn't engulf. I said if it engulfs it.
Well, I heard you. But
yeah,
I didn't know what you considered. I mean,
I consider
guess it has to be bigger than in order to do that. But
Yeah. It would have to at least have been bigger than the body of it.
But the stochastic is like ready to crick down. I don't know
Yeah.
what the MACD is going to do, but
MACD. This one's going to take some time. This might take some time. If that would have engulfed and turned, that would have been perfect. It would have been perfection. This chart has been going up and then down and then up and then down and then up and down. So I think if we get a red candle that engulfs or that overtakes the bottom of this consolidation line, then I'd be okay with it. But it's going to have to happen soon. If it consolidates too long, then I'm out on it. I'm making up
if it
rules as we
consolidates
go.
forever, then all bets
Right.
are off. You don't know.
Yeah, but if it would if this candle would go ahead and turn down and engulf and it would switch, but I don't think it's going to.
Well, it is getting kind of lower highs and higher lows. It seems like is it at a line that it's not wanting to break? Is that's
No,
what's going on?
there
here,
is
or
no
it-
line. It's above everything.
Okay, so it's kind of making a new line,
Yeah, it's making a new line and it's.
and it's breaking it.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Yeah.
it hasn't totally broke out of it yet. It's right. It's
The MACD
just
is headed straight up, though. I mean,
yeah.
if I were taking anything, I'd
It'd
be
be a
calling this
call.
next candle.
Mm-hmm.
But then this could totally just flip down.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm moving on.
Yeah, I'm just calling the next three candles because they're all going to be wins. I'm kidding.
You wish.
I wouldn't do that.
Oh, yeah.
I wouldn't honestly. I wouldn't be confident in it. I don't know that they're going to do that
McDonald's might turn around here.
again.
Yeah, I mean, it's been going down for a while. There's an engulfing candle. It hit kind of a line. The MACD's kind of crossing up. The MACD's down. The stochastic's up. This is still probably a downtrend. Sorry,
It is, but that
but I don't know when it's gonna decide to turn around.
we won up at the top of this a minute ago.
It's close to the white line. I guess that doesn't matter too much.
No, because it's already in oversold.
I'm not sure that it's actually going to just turn around though, because the moving averages are down. The MACD is, yeah, I mean, this could turn around, couldn't it?
Yeah, it definitely could. I mean,
It
that was a
hit that
small.
bottom and it wicked. It's given some up pressure.
I think there could be two green candles here. Yeah, but in fact, I don't know.
I don't know. Just wait and see. Yeah.
There is both up pressure and down pressure in that candle. So
That's
I
the problem with this. And the indicators, they're kind of like warring. Yeah. And the bottom is getting lower. Dang it. Okay. So did you see Alejandro is saying he's using 30-second candles with 2-minute trades? That makes a lot more sense to me now because those setups would happen a lot faster. Those double top taps on the
Oh
resistance.
wow, look at Pfizer.
Yeah, Pfizer's killing it.
It's gonna be turning around soon. There in the way back in the distance, it's about to hit a lot of
Okay.
support.
A lot of turmoil going on right there, dude. That's a ton of turmoil. So at any time it could turn around.
Right.
Problem is this is just a big mess. I can't draw a bunch of resistance lines.
Right.
I mean, I guess it's at one right now. I mean, I can see it's right here.
Mm-hmm.
But
But it's really far from that white line. So when it starts turning, it's kind of got a ways to go. And they're both indicators are well into oversold.
yeah. Yeah, I wish this candle would just engulf and go up.
See, but the last time it did it, see, it's got a history of one-off candles. You see that?
Yeah. Yeah, but that's when that happened, the MACD was sort of heading down. It's really low now. And it's kind of cricking up.
So, yeah, I should take the next one, or what do you think?
Does it engulf? No, don't take the next
Well,
one.
it's got a big candle to engulf, but this is more like a doji.
Yeah, don't
In
do
fact, it could just keep going down. I don't know.
it. Yeah.
It's
I
got
don't.
up pressure for sure, but it also could go down.
Mm-hmm. If this candle can engulf that candle, then maybe. Right now it's stuck at the bottom, which scares me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see.
Yeah, I don't know. If I had to guess, ultimately, I think this is probably going to close red.
Mm-hmm.
That's my guess, but I don't know. I mean, it's 50-50. It's bouncing back and forth, so I don't know. But I feel like the down pressure is stronger than the up pressure.
Yeah,
If I had to bet my bottom dollar, I'd say it's going to close red.
Your bottom dollar.
Mm-hmm.
Bet your bottom dollar Tesla might be doing something good.
There we go. Yeah, it did close red. What's Tesla doing?
Well, Tesla's ripe for turnaround. It's been going up. It's
Okay.
broke through a couple lines. It's got a couple more lines to break.
How much is it at any kind of a line now?
Yeah, it's at some lines right now. Some pretty substantial lines. It's also oversold. It's also been going up and down, up and down.
Overbought.
Yeah, it's overbought. It tapped this line and went through it once. Yeah, if this engulfs, I'd take it. But I don't know if it's going to.
I don't know if it's going to.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll see it yet. Okay, because it could go up a little more from here.
Yeah.
So it's not right here.
But it's pushing down. You want me to take it?
Yeah, take it. Take it. Take it.
Okay. We got a little bit higher position because it jumped.
Yeah, no, that was nice because I knew, I've had a feeling it was going to engulf that.
Well, it got a lot of down pressure right at the last minute. So
yeah, right. Which is good
right
for
at the
us
last second, I should say.
because I think it was wanting to go down. I think it still is wanting to go down.
Yeah, it feels like it. If I had to bet $2.90, I'd say it's going down.
14. We're only going to need one more win after this if we win this.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You could almost take another put on this one. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. Come on.
Come on, go down, go down.
Come
go
on.
down.
Go down. You got it. You got it. You're hitting the bottom.
Come on,
Come on. You're feeling the pressure.
come
You're
on,
feeling
Lord,
the
give us a win.
You're feeling the pressure on that. Come on. Come
I
on
want
now.
us to pull down, but
Come on. Come on.
oh, come on, don't do this
Come on.
crap. No,
Come
no,
on.
no, no. Oh man, are you freaking serious?
That was ballsy, but no, that was. Let's get this one down. Let's get this one on the way down. It's gonna hit that line again. So go to 4. What, you're at 440 now?
Yeah.
All right, you're at 440.
What do you want me to do? You want me to put on the same one?
No. Yeah, I mean, wait till it goes up. And
What do you want me
wait
to take, a 3-minute or what?
No. Set your number to 440.
Got it. Because you still think this is going down, right?
I think it might go up now and hit that line, but I still think that this chart
But
is
this
going to
is
turn
the one
around.
that's going to turn around. Yeah.
I still think it could. You know what I mean? I don't
Yeah.
know that it's going to just keep, because look at the stochastic, dude. It's already like, I mean, it could hit it could bounce and keep going, but I think, yeah, Alejandro, send us screenshots, man. You can telegram me.
Yeah. So I feel like it's going to go down. But it's kind of in a box, you know?
Yeah, but if it breaks down, I don't know. Yeah, let's just watch this because we don't have to be too in a hurry. Could take a 3-minute put from when it
Up to the top of it.
when it goes up. Yeah, like if it goes up to, if it gives us another green candle, like it's too low right now. If it can get to the top of that previous green candle, let's just
Then
watch
what
this.
what if it goes up? Do you think it's going to, or do you think it's
No, I
headed
don't
down
know.
from
Let's
here?
just wait. Let's just wait. So I don't really know. I think. I think this next candle is probably going to go up, don't you?
I feel like the whole thing wants to go up.
Yeah, me too. So just hold off. I think it wants to go up to that next line, like that stronger green line I have drawn there, which is like a really strong line. I feel like it wants to go up to that.
But it's not getting past the top of this block.
Yeah. Let's just watch and see what it does. Because it might go, it could just start burying itself. Because I mean, it does want to go, it's going to have to turn around, right? I mean,
It's going to have to do something, whether it gets out of this
like if
box.
this candle engulfs, we could take a put on this candle. It's engulfing it's out of the box now.
But
It's
will it
engulfing.
keep going down, or is it just going to burn us again?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know.
Right now, it's stuck at that bottom. It's stuck at that wick line. So right now, I'm not really sure.
Right now, it's not. I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole.
Yeah, I'd wait till it. Yeah, this one's kind of confusing me. So we can just wait. See, look how.
And what the heck was that crap? I mean,
Yeah, I don't know. See, it can't get above that, but it keeps wanting to.
right.
But it has to go down. So you could take a 3 to 4 minute put from like up here.
Unless it's going
Right.
to break it. There it
Yeah,
goes. It
like
just
right
broke
where
it.
it. Well, it's hitting that line right now. Like if you took a 4-minute put right here, it's going to end up going down from here. I think. Don't you? Let it push
Well,
up.
it's over it. So is
Well,
it
it is
gonna keep
over it.
going, or is it? It took off with a little bit of momentum. So
Yeah, and it could just go up for a while. You're right. You're right.
I
It
mean,
go
I
up.
could call it up, but I don't know if that's
Heck
gutsy
no.
too.
Heck no, because it's over. It's over. It's overbought.
Yeah.
It's probably going down from here. 3 minutes. But don't do that.
I'm not. If I did anything, like I said, well, see, no, it got some strength to go above it, but now it's falling back down.
So I'm saying I think it's going to fall there. It's going to go down from here. You could even put a 3-minute put on it from here, probably. But don't do it. It's really flat right here. It could end up breaking through this.
Okay,
but
I've
still
got 3 minutes on the timer just in case. So remind me to change it if we're going to take a
Okay.
limit.
Okay. I think you should probably. I think we should do nothing. This is way out of our wheelhouse.
This is way out of our strategy, yes.
I mean, we've won a few like this, but I think it's going down in general. but I just don't know.
It's very sideways though.
Yeah, it could literally just sit like this for 5-10 minutes and then just go straight up.
It could. I mean, if it hits the top of that red wick, then it's either going to break it or just shoot back down.
Nope, I'm out of this one. Yeah, this one's just completely confusing.
But it looks to me like it's climbing slowly, not going down.
Yeah.
So if I took anything, it'd probably be a 3-minute call because I think it's going higher. I don't think it's getting lower. I don't see it dipping. Like if you draw a straight line across top and bottom of that, I think
Yeah.
you're going to see that it's breaking out of there, not.
Yeah, right.
Am I right? Does it look like it's going upward instead of downward?
Yeah, and the moving averages are just tanking up. But I mean, the stochastic's going down, and the MACD it looks like it's about to cross down. My gut, don't take any trades on my gut, but my gut is it's not going to break above those top wicks, and it's going to end up going down the next 3 or 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Because look at the MACD and the stochastic; they're just so
right. They're
swooping
both
down.
like ready to dive, is what they're ready.
Right,
To do.
that's what I'm saying. Like, but it does. It's persisting to go up, though. You're right, but it seems like
it can't break those wicks up there.
Yeah.
Or it hasn't. That doesn't mean it won't.
But it is going higher and higher as it's going.
Yes,
it's
that's my point. I see that it's going higher and higher.
I feel like the breakout candle,
gradually going up.
The engulfing candle we're looking for just isn't appeared yet.
And I don't know that it will. Well, it did, and then it failed us.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and the stochastic. The thing is, I forget that
if I took anything on this, dude, honestly, I would take a call on this candle because I think it's just going up.
Yeah, because the stochastic, I keep forgetting, it can stay up there for
a long time,
30 minutes. I mean, it could just stay up there.
Like when this candle just dips down, I feel like just taking it and then letting it retract and keep going up. But I'm not going to. But I'm saying that's what I would do if I did anything on this.
Yeah, wait till it gets back down
because it's just pushing up. I mean, it's already broken over those wicks.
Yeah, I agree with you.
See.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, every wick is getting higher. Every bottom of every candle is getting higher.
Mm-hmm. And eventually it's probably just going to break out and go up.
Eventually it's going to scream up, yeah, probably.
I mean, even MACD is cricking up.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I feel like I could call it from down here at the bottom of this, and we probably win it. But
if it's a couple-minute call, yeah, you could. But this is a pretty good size candle.
Yeah, I'm not going to do anything because
don't do anything because this could actually literally go down from here.
Go down,
MACD is about to cross. This could be the breakout candle.
But see, okay, but this hasn't cleared everything, so
no, not yet, but it's going to.
This is not the candle to take a put on either.
It cleared almost everything, and it just double crossed down.
So you think I should take a put if this retracts?
No, I think I should do nothing.
I'm just asking.
No.
Is this the candle that's just finally breaking down? Like,
I mean, it double crossed and it broke almost everything, but not broke everything. It stopped. It's at the bottom now. It's at the point where it could just go back up from here. So it's at the bottom of the box now. I mean, if it breaks the bottom of this, then yeah, you might get another candle, but then you're kind of late because the MACD is already crossed. So unless it's just going to tank,
it's like totally broken out.
Yeah, but then it could just retract. It's doing a lot of that.
Mm-hmm.
That's interesting. Now everything's crossing. I mean, it's way out of our wheelhouse.
Watched this for the last 10 minutes for no reason at all.
Yeah, well,
I mean, because we're not taking any action on this. There's no way we're getting in on. We're not going for a third candle on this. I can tell you that.
No,
because we don't know that this candle's not going to go back up.
Yeah, all right. Let's get off this because this is at the bottom of it. If you want to do anything now, you'd call it for like 3 minutes.
It's just wasting our time. Okay, but
it's wasting our time. Yeah.
Look at Apple.
That was just us having fun, wasting our time.
Apple is I mean, it's not quite at a line. I mean, it's at kind of a.
Yeah, I mean, you're right.
It's kind of at a line. There's kind of lines back there, but they're not like solid lines.
Alejandro, you're right. That was a crazy looking chart in the 1 minute.
Nope, I would still stay away. There's a lot of volatility on Thursday. Yeah, I agree. He is right. Alejandro, you're right. It just took us like 15 minutes of sitting there looking at that to figure that out.
Well, I kept thinking it was going to break down. I kept thinking it was going to.
Meanwhile, I'm seeing like, dude, it's going up, and then it just randomly goes down, and like, okay, so look at Apple though. Is this about to go up? I feel like it is. I feel like I
Yeah.
could call this like right now. You think I should? Or you think
Yeah,
it's
go
gonna
ahead.
keep going down?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead and call it now if you're going to call it because it's like, it's at
Okay,
the
here.
bottom. You've got the wick, so you've got, 447.92. 447.
And we got a good pin if it's gonna go up. So as long as it goes up. Oh crap!
2.
You freaking serious right now? Come on, go back up. Go back up. Go back up. Go back up. Go back.
You got
up.
27 seconds. This one right here was it's kind of a gamble. It could go back up. I mean, it might just shoot back up. Probably not. It's been moving kind of slow. It kind of wicked and it kind of hit and it kind of going now. All right, you're going to a third trade. That was
Again.
not. I let you take that trade because I'm a dummy. Because that's really not. That's not like in our method. That didn't engulf at all. That was just literally like 2 dojis.
Okay, yeah, that was kind of.
So what the freak were we thinking?
We weren't.
Okay, well let's not do that again.
Okay, well let's find a good one then, because we gotta.
Like the one on Intel that just engulfed and went up was perfection.
Intel.
Yeah, I mean it just did it. We're late to it.
Ah.
3 candles on a downtrend. 3 candles on
So
a
let's take the
downtrend.
retraction down from the white line. That's not in our strategy.
3 candles on a downtrend. Apple. Is Apple going to turn around? I'm going to look at it and see. I'm going to draw some lines on Apple because it is getting low and it is sort of that's a big line down there that it's going to hit soon. I'll just entertain Apple for a little bit because it is oversold and it is like it wants to return to the white line. I'm not saying we should do it again, but I'm saying that. Okay. But Intel was like perfection.
Mm-hmm. But see, now there's a decent amount of pressure on Apple. Like this is the first candle didn't engulf, but this candle has definitely got some pressure to it, more than the other ones did.
Yeah, well that's true.
I mean,
If it engulfs that red candle, you could take it. In fact, I think right now,
I think I should take it right now.
yeah, maybe it's at a line, but yeah, I mean, if you think it's gonna go, yeah, it's probably gonna go. Let it dip and then go for
Take it now, right now.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Okay, well there we're in it. Come on, come on.
But
We
look at
can do this.
stochastic.
We can do
Stochastic
this.
is like really moving up, and
It's moving up.
Come on, baby.
Come on, Lord, give us this win. We need this win.
Come on, baby.
Come on, come on. We need this win. We need this win. Come on,
11.
come on, come on. Pull up, pull up, pull up.
It's not engulfing. It is a massive downtrend, but it does want to turn.
It's turning, dude. I know it's turning. I can feel it. I can feel it turning. Look at the size of that candle.
I feel what you're saying. It doesn't seem to be. Yeah, that's not good.
That's not good at all.
That's not good. I just burn your face again. I just burned you again, man.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, we have a choice to make. Do we want to place another $11 trade and just leave that on the table, or do we want to make this $27.50 trade?
I don't know.
Because I don't really want to get burned again.
I definitely don't want to take trades that aren't in our.
No, but that one kind of was. I mean, it was well.
Well, I guess yeah. According to tonight, because candles tonight have been they've been sort of like not fully engulfing the first candle,
Right.
but still that's a downtrend.
Well, we always take them against the trend. Every trade in our strategy is against the trend because of the turnaround.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just leave that on the table. And
Why
go
would you
to
leave that on the table? Just no.
make the $27 trade?
Yeah, you got one more trade. Just make it a good one. Just put it in there and let's make it happen, dude.
Okay, 27.50. Here we go.
USDRUB is USDRUB is hit a line. It's
Mhm.
oversold. It's going down. It's going to engulf. Man, it could do it. He says patience. Yes, that's exactly right. That's what I'm thinking.
It's not climbed very far though. I
No.
mean, not that it has to. It doesn't have to go up very far. But look back at the last time it did this. Remember, there's a fourth trade. The last time it went up, it threw a go back. I think right up there. Okay, look at that red candle up there at the top.
That one?
Down a few, back a few.
No, oh,
right
that
there.
one? Yeah.
Went up, threw a big red candle, and then kept going.
Well, yeah, it hit this line.
So you
This-
want to make sure this is good. This is an engulfing candle, but
It's
we got
also
one
kind of
shot at
stuck.
this.
It's also kind of stuck there. It's also getting ready to flip down.
I'm not taking this unless you.
Well, don't take it. It's not engulfed yet, so
No.
I would almost tell you to take a 2-minute trade or a 3-minute trade if it touches back up to the top of that, if it goes back up, because it is.
I don't know. I feel like it could just.
Go back up. Do you think this is climbing?
Yeah, this doesn't. That doesn't look like a candidate for what's on the line here. I mean, I would feel safer taking two $11 trades rather than just. How
No,
far
don't
we-
do that.
No, I'm not doing it. I got 27.50 in the queue here.
Just find one that you know is going the right direction. I mean, this one.
I don't know. Tonight it's been.
This one
hairy.
would have been a win.
Okay.
It didn't
But-
engulf, but it would have been a win.
Well, yeah, but that's.
But it didn't engulf. But I still think it bounced off that line. See, it hit that line, boom, it goes down, it comes up, boom, it goes
Look
down.
at NZD USD real quick.
And we can be patient. We got to be patient.
Yeah, we
Just
have.
because that one won doesn't mean this one's going to win. That one I felt good about, but
NZD USD.
NZD USD is kind of in an uptrend.
Mhm.
I don't know that
There's
it's turned
some-
around yet.
There are a few points of resistance in the back.
Yeah, I mean, this is it hit here, it went down, it hit here again. It could break this. This kind of looks weird. Mm-hmm. American Express, dude. American Express. American Express is over whatever you call it.
It's kind of hit a few lines or close to a few lines, but they're kind of like little hills.
Mm-hmm. American Express is just high. It's going up.
Mm-hmm.
It's overbought. It's possible it's going to flip around.
Okay. In its history, there are some little pullbacks in there, but
Yeah.
they don't engulf. You see that?
Mm-hmm. I see that.
And
Yeah,
there's
they're not-
one that does back here, down towards the bottom of that. There's one up at the top that doesn't golf, but then throws a green doji. Do you see it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see that it's not super consistent.
You want me to take a call on the next candle?
No. Are you freaking kidding?
I'm just kidding. This is what we used to do.
Right. Just make up crap.
Well, we would take calls and stuff like this.
And then it would turn
Right.
around and go straight down.
That's what would happen, yeah.
Citigroup.
Okay, but we get $22 profit if we win this.
Yeah, we'll be killing it if we win it. Yeah. Yeah, we'll be killing it. Yeah, Citigroup. Look at Citigroup.
We got to make sure this is a good one, dude. I'm trusting you.
Don't trust me. I know nothing. I'm new at this, man.
Yes.
We got to find we got to find that we haven't had a lot of turnarounds tonight that have just been really perfect.
Really nice, yeah.
Had a little bit of goofiness.
Okay, if Citigroup goes all the way to the bottom of that wick, that green wick back there, then I'll feel confident in it. But I don't know, man.
Oh, you
Right
mean like
here-
all the way down?
Yeah, I don't know. This is an odd place for a pullback right here.
Yeah, it's kind of in the middle of.
I feel like this could be the one-off green candle.
Yeah, I do too.
This does not feel like a fourth trade position right here.
Yeah, the candles are kind of big, and of course that is a line. But yeah, I mean that's not like super duper convincing.
Mm-hmm.
I mean it's definitely in your strategy. It's oversold, but it's not really super engulfing. It is, but it doesn't have like a lot of whatever you call it, momentum. It's
Yeah.
kind of just like
Think I should take it?
no.
I feel like it's going to pull back up.
I feel like it's gonna go down, doofus.
I don't know. It wouldn't surprise me if it pulls up. It's got pressure both ways.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't have any real solid line to me, like that I really believe in.
Right. That it doesn't have, and that's why I'm kind of
It
like.
doesn't like it has pressure I could believe in maybe here and there,
And the
but
MACD is not totally
Yeah.
oversold.
if I did anything, I'd be putting this sucker for 2 minutes because it's going to go down to that line. But now it's
I don't know. It's just got a lot of volatility.
it's got volatility. I felt more comfortable about that last one. American Express. FedEx. I don't know. Oh, man. See, these are not engulfing candles tonight. They're
No.
doing stuff, but they're not like necessarily engulfing. The turnarounds are not engulfing. NZD USD might be engulfing right now. It might engulf. NZD USD is got a decent line, maybe. I don't know. It's been going up for a while. NZD
Well.
USD. NZD USD looks like it could be turning around soon.
It's not quite at the line of resistance.
Right. It can go up to here.
In fact, it's got a little ways it could go before it does that.
Yeah, it could go here. It could go here.
But a pullback can happen anywhere, and that's what we're trading on is the pullbacks.
Right. That's what I mean. It's high enough to where if it got an engulfing candle now, like if this next candle engulfs and goes down, then I'm thinking because it's hitting a line right now. It just hit a line. It does look like the indicators are going up, but like if this candle really convinced us that it was going to turn around, then I'd be okay with it. But it's not because it did hit a line right there, and it is going down. Is this an engulfing turnaround candle off that line? Look at that. It's been going up. Now you got to really read the candle pressure. It's like touching. I'm not totally convinced yet, but
No.
not convinced at all now.
No. It's a no.
Mm-hmm.
There's too much on the line for this. I'm not.
Yeah, no, it didn't engulf. I mean, I'm looking for your exact method. I'm just thinking if it does it, then by
Right.
odds, it hit that line. You could take a 3-minute put from here, and you'd probably win that sucker all day. It touched that line. But let's just watch your method because this could turn,
Yeah, this could still go up.
or it could still go up. Yeah, you're right.
I mean,
I guess the only confirmation we would have of a real down down thing is if this candle engulfed and really push down. But
Mhm.
this has got the MACD on this one has been going up for quite a while, and it's still pushing up. It's still not even at its highest point. Well,
Right.
yeah, it's about at its highest point, the MACD is. But wow, look at that. It went right through
See,
there.
like I would. I mean, I'm not going to do it, but I would be confident taking a call on the next candle, because I think it's going to go up for at least a candle or two more.
If you took like a 3-minute call, I'd be okay with that.
You would,
Yeah, like if you took a 3-minute one. Yeah.
but I don't know when it's going to turn around, and it might do it any time.
Right. Well, it broke through that line. Well, now the MACD's gone. If this candle engulfs to the downside, would you feel like this is going to go down? It's not going to, is it?
I don't know.
Yeah, this one. Look, the stochastic.
Maybe it's just
is
me
gonna-
being nervous to hit the button at all, because
Yeah, stochastic is.
see, I feel like it's going to go up.
Yeah. Well, like you said, I think it's time for American Express is about to engulf. I think it's time for American Express to engulf. Oh, how long ago did he say that? 23:46. Oh. Oh yeah, look, American Express. It's kind of.
What does American Express look like?
I think we might have missed the one at the top. I can't remember if he said that.
Okay, see, now it just engulfed. It just engulfed.
Which one are you looking at?
I could put it now.
Where? Where are you at?
On NZD USD. You want me to put it?
Hold on. Let me see. No, I don't want you to put it.
Okay.
It's.
I think this probably.
It engulfed that candle, but it's not really. Well, I mean, if you put it for like 2 minutes, yeah, maybe 3 minutes, yeah, because it's kind of like hit that line. Like, what do you think? You think it's going down from here, or do you think it's going to consolidate?
It doesn't look like it's going to consolidate, but I don't know that 3 minutes, 2 minutes might be better. But
yeah, we'll wait now because you would have been right. You would have been right. You know, it engulfed and it went down.
Yeah, we'd have had our win, but I don't know. There's no way to know. I want you to be in on it, so.
Well, I looked at it and I just thought I got off the chart for a minute. And
yeah, we
thought,
got to
like,
be looking at the same thing. So if you're looking at something else, I don't want to take a chance.
Like, it did hit that line and it is going down, and it could go down for a while now. So, I mean, you could.
If it goes up, you want me to take like a 2-minute put? Or do you think it's going to keep climbing from here? What do you think it's going to do?
Well, I mean, I don't know. The MACD might cross in this next candle. You know,
Which
like,
usually means
like
it's out of steam by that point.
but it's not crossed yet. But I'm just saying, if you waited till this went up and then put it for 2 minutes, you'd probably be good, because I think it is turning down. You have to wait.
I don't know that it's going to go up. I mean,
if you're gonna put it for.
Well, we're already kind of late to the party.
Yeah, don't do anything right now. We got too confused.
Speak for yourself. We didn't. I saw it. I saw it, but I'm not taking this trade without you. So.
Well, it engulfed, but it really didn't engulf the wick, and there's kind of a box.
It didn't. Yeah, I mean, I was just as concerned about it as you were. So.
Yeah, it didn't engulf it like.
There was no way to know for sure.
Right, and we were kind of. That was a good turnaround though, because it went up, had a doji, and then it engulfed and went down. So that was actually a pretty good. That was a pretty good one. Now I don't know. I think.
However, when it goes down, I wouldn't be opposed to, even though it's out of the strategy, taking a call for like 3 or 4 minutes up. But I don't know that it's going to retract. I don't know.
What is that chart again? I'm sorry, I went off of it again.
NZD USD. Well, we might as well get off of it now because we're kind of lost it there.
Yeah. That was a good chart though.
That would have been our win, but
that was a good practice.
It wasn't. We didn't practice. We didn't do anything with it. NZD JPY. I don't know. That looks janky. It's overbought.
That's janky. I don't know.
I don't know what to make of that.
Yeah, it's not got any. Man, dude, you're keeping me up late.
I'm not going to bed like this. We're winning this trade.
But we got to get a little more focused and a little less nervous because I think we just need to find one of our. Like I called one that would have won. You called one that would have won. So let's not take one that loses.
I agree. Yeah. Like
I called
say,
one
though,
that
we can always just leave one on the table, go back to an $11 trade.
that's stupid.
Okay.
No, that makes no sense because then we have to win another. Then we're just down $11 tonight. We didn't go.
Yeah.
I mean, why would we do
Well,
that?
it would
Because
kick us back one level, is what it
we'll
would.
probably win it, and then
It would kick us back one level. If we won it, it would send us back, put us off by one level. If we lose this, we are out all of them.
Oh yeah.
So there's that to consider. So we have less money than we started with if we lose this trade. If we win it and we won it for like half of the amount, then
We'd
Well,
have
we
like $105 or something. Yeah.
what? No, say it again.
We'd have about what we started with tonight.
Yeah.
Say 11.
Yeah, it would just put us back one level. That's all it would do. So if you want to not risk as much, then we can. But it's up to you. And if we lose it, if worst case scenario we lose this trade, it puts us back to the amount that it puts us back to level 1 without blowing the 15.
Yeah.
Well, we'd still be a little bit in profit, but
Well, we're pretty good at winning trades, so we could just win two $11 trades. And be
we
done.
could do that. Yes. Do you want to not take as much of a risk, or
I don't know. What do you want to do?
Oh
gosh.
I would rather. I mean, I'd like to just win it, but
Oh,
at the
come
same
on.
time, if we lose it, we're screwed.
Gosh, why did I put that up on our stream? Okay.
What?
I put some like naked
Oh gosh, who does
F
that
word
crap?
on the screen. I don't know. I blocked them, but
You put it on the screen, on our screen.
yeah, I accidentally put it. I accidentally showed the comment.
I've seen it come up before.
Yeah, it's
Why
like
do they do
spam.
that? Why do people? Can't you people spam someone else?
Why are you trying to spam us? We're just sitting here trading ding
Yeah,
dongs.
we didn't ask for this.
Okay. I don't know, man. I feel I hear what you're saying. I mean, it wouldn't be bad to be back where we started tonight.
Well, we could also take two trade. We could take.
Yeah,
two
we could. I
$11.
mean, we could take another $11 trade. But if we lose that, then we're back. We get into the spiral of like, okay, now we got to do. How would we recover from that?
I'm gonna take an $11 trade.
How would we recover? I mean, we can't take two $11 trades. We can take one, but if we lose it, then we're not going to be able to make it up. We're not going to be able to go, okay, now, because then how do you make that up? Then
You
have
don't,
to make.
but it puts us back. We would kind of be back to four. I'd be back at $402.82.
just take a regular trade and win it or lose it. I mean, why? Yeah, why would we go 4 deep and then stop at 3 and then lose $11 and then it doesn't make any sense.
$27.50, right?
Yeah, I mean,
All right, we will take the full trade. Okay, look at ExxonMobil right here. Do you see this?
hold on.
See how ExxonMobil is like at a line right here?
Mhm.
Do you think
I
it's
see
gonna
this
break?
ginormous candle.
Do you think I should call that up?
No. Mm-mm.
I've won those plenty of times.
I think you're crazy.
Am I?
Yeah. It's a double cross. It's a double cross down with the trend, dude, and the MACD and the stochastic. I mean, if anything, I'd be putting that sucker.
There's no real trend to it.
It doesn't matter. Double cross down. You know?
Okay.
Yeah, it's at a massive line. and maybe you would have won it, but
Yeah, you would have. Well, the reason I said so is because I knew it was going to retract. It's
I've
hitting.
also lost those too. I've tried that and lost those.
Yeah. Okay. Well, here back to our strategy here. Okay.
Get
Okay.
focused.
Look at Amazon. Amazon is going sideways. It's not quite down to a big line, but it looks like it's got some up pressure. You see it, and it's oversold. Are you on it?
Yeah.
You think it's going to break out of this?
I wouldn't take anything on this.
Okay.
It might break out, but is that your strategy? Can you focus on your strategy? Because that's the only thing we can agree on.
This is my strategy. Well, I'm saying this is the This is the pullback that I trade on. Whether or not this is it,
If
I
you
want
take a
to
3
look
minute
at it.
call, if you take a 3 minute call on this, I'd be okay with it. But you have to get it when it's low, and if you think this is actually going to go to the
But
white
you
line,
think it's going to keep going back down? Is the
yeah,
question.
maybe. Like it totally could.
Yeah.
Got plenty of down pressure.
Okay.
Like Citigroup. A Citigroup, on the other hand, I think is actually going to go up. You know, I don't know when, but it's still kind of farting around down there. But it's got the indicators are a little more,
Oh yeah.
a little more in
I could
position to
probably
go up.
take a 3-minute call from here, and we'd have it. Do you want me
Yeah,
to do
you
that?
can take a 3 minute call when it dips down. I mean, let it dip down a little bit. If you think it's going to dip, this candle might dip. I mean, it's kind of dojied. It's double crossed. The MACD's double crossed. If you take a 3 minute call from here, it's probably gonna win.
Okay. Tell me when to. Tell me when.
Let's wait till this candle. Let's wait till this candle.
Because it may just shoot up there after.
It may just dip. When it dips, it may dip and shoot.
I got 3 minutes on the clock.
You got 30 seconds in this candle. Let's see what happens. It's finding some resistance, so it might go down from here. Just let it play out right here.
Do you think this is in a box though? There is a wick up there at the top of this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just let it dip a little. Let's let it get, because you're going on a long trade here.
Yeah.
And like right now, I'm not sure. Just wait. Let's see what this next candle does, because
Okay.
it's really
Yeah,
going to
let's see what
doji.
it does.
If it goes
It's
down,
going down. It's getting lower. See that?
yeah, I see that right now.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I would say when it gets down to like,
But is it going to go up, or is it going to continue back down? We
I don't
don't
know.
know.
I don't know.
Because I was thinking it's going up, but
I think it's going to go up. That's why I'm saying when it gets wicks down there to that wicks down there, then you could probably call it, because everything's kind of pointing up. The MACD is crossing. It's oversold. Like it looks like it. I don't know. It could keep going down, but it's kind of down there. I don't know. Just wait and see, because I think it's got like a line, like right down here. Like if it got down to here,
yeah, that's got a lot of down pressure right now.
right?
Yeah,
Like,
it's actually kind of broke that box, so it may keep going down from here. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. Yeah, just wait, because it's kind of at a line right now. Like it hasn't wanted to break, but now look at the MACD and stochastic. They kind of
They're going down.
went down, didn't they?
Well, yeah, that candle was. All right, I'm going to change the clock back to a minute, so
Okay, so you don't accidentally.
I don't accidentally enter a 1 minute trade at 3 minutes. So if we want to go for a 3 minute, remind me.
Okay. I'm looking for your map.
This is now going down, so.
Netflix is too low. I think we got this, bro. I wouldn't be worried about it too much.
We didn't have the last three, apparently.
Well, yeah. I mean, the charts have been a little bit hard today, but that doesn't mean we're not going to win this chart. That doesn't mean we're not going to win this. Was that Citigroup? Is that Citigroup that we were talking about earlier?
Yeah, this is Citigroup. See, now it's kind of like
It could push down quite a bit.
it's still going down, but
I don't know where it's going. The problem with Citigroup is I don't see a bottom to it. You know?
right, I don't either.
And now it's like wicked out down there. Like it doesn't want to go past that. You could almost probably take a 3-minute call from down here and it's probably okay.
Think so?
But like,
If I had
I don't
taken
know.
one from where I was at before, I would have lost it.
Yeah, right. That's what I was saying. This is right now, this chart just kind of doesn't. I'm not sure if I think our chat like totally got knocked offline. Got
Really?
spammed so much. Google knocked us off, I think.
Does that happen?
Yeah. Well, it's never happened before, but it did just now.
Yeah. I'm trying to figure this out, dude. What is Citigroup doing?
I think it's going back up from here. I think if you took a 3-minute call, but you'd have to be in it like soon. Because I think it's kind of like bouncing. It's like down. I think it's like goes down, then it goes up, then it goes down, it goes up, then it goes down. But I mean, it's got a lot of down pressure and it's not got a floor. So,
Right.
but in general, it's starting to crick back up. MACD is going to cross, and it might head back up from here. But I'm not so convinced. I mean, if this is an engulfing candle, no. This is just us guessing on a fourth trade, which is very, very dangerous.
Yeah.
Go find your method.
That's
Intel.
what I'm looking for.
Okay, well that's not your method. So Intel is going up.
Is it at
It's
a
over.
level?
It's overbought. You know, it doesn't have much level to it. Well, yeah. Oh, it's at a big line. Okay, you could probably.
I think it's still going up.
Yeah, it's at a big line though. It's hitting a massive line right now. Yeah, it could break it. But see, I'd be more inclined to just put a 3-minute put on this right here because of the line. But it could go up. Your MACD is still up. That goes down, goes up, goes down. That's probably not going to engulf. Is it?
I don't know, dude. I don't know if that's going down 2 candles. Is it?
I don't know because it hit the line, and
Okay.
The
If
Mac-
it shoots
the
up, you want me to
stochast-
take it?
for 1 minute, you mean?
Yeah. If it shoots
If
up,
it gets back up to where it was, but I don't know now because I think it.
I think it's going down.
Well, you could just take it now. I mean, it's probably.
And then it could retract. It may not end this low.
Yeah, you just wait till you see it because it's kind of engulfed that candle now. Now it's going to retract. I would wait if you do anything. I would put like a 2-minute or 3-minute trade on it. Wait till it. I don't know if it's going back up there. This is a weird chart though because it is now it's boxing. So
Mm-hmm.
until it actually goes to the white line, like let's think about that. Is this going to the white line? Probably not.
Right.
But I mean, it's probably not going to the white
We
line.
need to find one that we have every reason to believe it's going to the white line, like all the way down to it. If it's
Right.
not that far from it to begin with, it's probably not going to it.
Right, because right now the MACD on this one's not going to the white line. The MACD is just farting around. I mean, it's not cricking. It's not. You know, it might go to the white line, but the MACD is going to have to start to get in line with it. Like right now, it's like It's got too many levels here. This has been stepping up too long.
Yeah.
It's too many little steps. Is it going to go to the white line? Is it going to break down and go to the white line? No, probably not.
Citigroup is still really whacked out, dude.
Yeah,
That is
make no.
really wackadoo right there.
Twitter. Citigroup. Oh yeah, Citigroup. We would have lost a call on that.
Yep.
My brain was not thinking straight. Intel, is that the one that I was just on? Yeah, Intel is sort of, it's sort of going down, but it's going to hit a level. It's about ready to MACD cross. You could probably put Intel, but that's just me thinking. I mean, it's already 4 candles in. It's like, is it going to the white line? I mean, I don't know. It's kind of at a
Intel.
yeah, Intel.
I don't think it's going down further than that, really, no.
Yeah, it's kind of at a line right there.
I mean,
I feel a little bit lost. Let's just stick to our method because those are all just conjecture. Those are all just
Problem is,
Maybe.
I'm at the point where I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing anything set up like that. Usually we do.
Yeah. Well, let me look one more time real hard. Let's see if we should make a trade like this or not. Citigroup. Oh, is Citigroup the one that we were talking about before?
That's the one that has been like real.
Yeah. Ooh, Citigroup might be going to the white line finally.
Yeah, now that we're late to the party.
Look at it though. Well, I don't even know, but if it breaks above this, if it breaks this line here, everything's going up. You could make like a 2 or 3 minute call on it. It probably would go if it's going to the white line. If it's going to the
Still
white
in a
line,
box though. Still clearly in a box.
right? If it breaks out of this box though,
Then it's
that's what I'm
already
saying.
at the white line. If it breaks it, it's already there.
No, if it breaks this little box, I'm saying if it goes up one more green candle,
Mm-hmm.
if it went up one more green candle, but then it could just go back down. That's what it's been doing.
Mm-hmm. It's just too unpredictable.
Because it could go to the white line or it could not go to the white line.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look at that. So unpredictable.
Tesla, I think, is good. Okay. I'll look at it.
Who are you talking
The guy in our chat, Alex.
to? You can still see Alex?
Yeah, I see him.
I can't. My chat went
Tesla,
off.
okay, Tesla is going. I see what he's saying. Yeah, it's going up. I mean, but look at the candle. The candle started below the red. It is cricking up there. The MACD's kind of right in the middle of the histogram.
Yeah, it's about an engulfing candle though, dude. It might. I mean, if you've got pressure on that one, it might go up. It's getting ready to cross. Like,
It's a big candle, though. I feel like it could retract. Yeah, it doesn't meet the criteria for me just because I feel like it's too big. That could easily retract at the next candle. It may not, but it would be gutsy. It's got a lot of
retracted
volatility.
right there. Retracted right there.
Now, Amazon just went way up and hit the line there.
Tesla, you would have won big time, dude.
What I have?
Well, look at it. It's got a massive amount of pressure. It's going up there. It's going to win.
Yeah, but dude, do you see how much it retracted?
Yeah, it retracted at the last minute.
It's nothing that I
and it's got big wicks everywhere.
Right. I would have won that, yeah, but I had no way of knowing. That would have been just a complete gamble to enter that.
Oh, look at NZD-JPY. Crap. Why does it look so weird? I think NZD-JPY wants to go to the white line. It's got down pressure. It's crossing over. It's probably going to go down, but then it's retracting a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Hasn't engulfed that green.
It's been overbought for a long time.
Well, look at it. It's finally going down. It's finally going down. It's about ready to MACD cross, but it's been going up a long time too. In fact, you could put a 5-minute call on this and probably win it.
You think?
According to what it's been doing, it's been going up and then down. It's been retracting down. Then it's going up and then it's retracting down. But, get yourself in trouble there too.
It would be throwing caution to the wind to take a call on that or any kind of action on that.
Mm-hmm.
But now it's going back up.
Yeah, that's not good. I saw that. What's that? Yeah, right. That's what I was thinking. I was thinking like a 3-minute call because it's kind of like going down, going up, going out. And now I don't know. I mean, this could still go to the white line.
Could.
We need our breakout candle, bro. Oh, FedEx might do it. FedEx is ripe, dude. FedEx is at a line. It hit that line. It's the second time it's hit that line. You could take. It's getting ready to cross down. And I know this isn't engulfing, but I think this is actually going to go down from here. Oh crap! Look at that. I'm so wrong. But I think you could take a 3-minute put from here and win. But it is kind of all going up right now.
Yeah. Do you
But
okay? Well, do you want to take a 1 minute or do you want to base it on a 3 minute? You tell me what you.
well,
think.
if you're going to base it on 1 minute, you got to wait till it engulfs and goes down. If
Right, but then it's a risk because a lot of them have been. Look at the candle at the bottom of this FedEx.
Yeah, I know.
Big engulfing candle.
I know. That's why I'm
Straight
thinking
back
more
up.
like right now. It went above that. Well, it broke through that. I mean, if you think it's going to retract from here, take a 4-minute put from like up here. But,
I'm not
I mean,
sure that it is. It may go all the way up to that other line up there.
Yeah, it's got another line. So let's wait till it. How do we know? Because it already broke this one. So
It
that's
broke
just that's just janko dank right there. Yeah,
Man.
that's what I don't know. It hit it once, hit it again, and it broke it. So
Yeah, it has a lot of big engulfing candles that are followed by
nothing.
the same color. Yeah, nothing. So it would be we'd be playing an odds game to try to.
So what do? Wait till it's oversold or over completely overbought and cricking, and then just take a 3-minute put from like the high point?
Well, that's one
Because
way
then
to do it, but
you've
we
got a
don't
good
know.
position. Like, see, I think
The MACD
Okay.
is not quite overbought.
right.
It's upwards of that area. See,
Dang.
but
Freaking bro.
I feel like this could go right back up.
Yeah, let's watch and see. Because I feel like this whole chart's going to go down. I feel like you should put the 3-minute trade in pretty soon and get ready to put it. Because if
You
the
want
Mac,
me to do it at 3 minutes?
yeah, 3 minutes, but wait till it gets up there. If the MACD turns, okay, if the stochastic's already turned, if the MACD kind of turns, and we can get it at a high spot, like right now it's at a line, like it broke that line and then it just went right back down. Now it's going back up, but I mean, even 3 minutes from here, you're probably going to win because look at stochastic. It's unless it just totally retracted on you, you'd want to wait till it gets back up there.
You think 2 is enough, or you think 3?
Yeah, 2 or 3 would be fine. 2 is fine, but I don't know, man. Let me look at something.
Because this is about to expire, so it may only.
Yeah.
Okay,
It
that
may.
would have been a loss.
Well, yeah, but you got to wait till if we're going to take like 2-minute trade, you want to wait till it gets up to a level that we think
I'm not
it's
sure
gonna,
that it's not. I don't know that it's going down. Do you think it's going down, or what do you think it's going to do? I don't know that it's going to obey those indicators.
I'm thinking of that line that it's on. It hit that line here, and then it went down, and it hit that line again, and it went above it, and then it went down, and now it's going up. I don't know. Those indicators might turn around. They're janking. They're going kunk kunk.
You're
They've got
saying
like
based on like Alex's strategy.
yeah.
we
I mean,
could take
based
a-
on the idea that it hit this line and it went down, and it hit this line again. It went through it, then it went down. But you're right. It could from here it could be a 2-minute call. I don't know at this point. This one, like, isn't speaking to me yet.
No.
I mean, that engulfing candle would have been a massive loss.
Yeah. I've seen that a lot today, and I don't know why. It's kind of discouraging, but because on most days, see, it's just going up. Like it's kind of hitting that line. It's going right to that line. It's still kind of there. I don't know if it's going to break.
Oh yeah, look at the stochastic now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I would just call it for 2 minutes from here, dude.
You think?
Well, I'd wait till it dips down a little bit because I do think you're right. I think it's going up. I think the whole thing's going up. I think like on the next candle, if it can dip. I mean, it can go all the way up to. Yeah, I don't know. It's risky because now it's way
Real
up there,
risky, yeah.
way up there.
It's going to turn around eventually, but when that's going to be, I don't know.
Dang, look at that.
It's about to touch that one.
Yeah. But this chart has been going up, and then it'll like retract, and then it'll just go straight back up, and retract, and go straight back up. Like we should have called it at the bottom of that big red candle.
Mm-hmm. We didn't know.
Yeah,
Is it going to go through this line?
probably. Well, it's setting up a higher line, so I mean, you could take a 2 or 3 minute call. Just wait till it dips down like halfway to that candle.
Call or put from up here?
Call. When it goes down.
Do you think it's going to break that line?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like if it drops down a little bit. Well, because it's been doing that. It's been going up, up. It's. I mean, the stochastic is just cricking down, cricking up. It's been going up a lot more than it's been going down. It's been making a lot more up progress, and it's been making down progress at this point. So unless it completely turns around, you could probably wait for.
Well, it hit that line, so it's hard to say. How strong is that line that you've got marked there?
I mean, it's not bad. It's not that strong, dude. It's just a minor line. You know what I mean? It's got like 14 lines going on that. I'd wait till this candle dropped down and take a 3 minute call.
3 minute call?
Yeah. Like, don't you think it's going up from here?
I don't know, dude, because you got a line there. I mean, it's.
Well, I mean, look at that line. That line. There's a line there. 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 There's a line everywhere. There's a line going up. This whole thing is a line. There's a line there. There's another line here. A bigger line here. There's a small line here. It's at a small line there. Bigger line there. Then there's another line up here.
Okay.
And then there's another line up here. You see how I'm adding these lines?
What do you think? Okay, so it's broken. That do you want to take like a 3 minute call from here?
Oh yeah, I mean maybe like let's let it dip down again because it keeps dipping.
You want a 2 minute or 3 minute?
Yeah, make a 2 minute call from let it
two
dip.
minutes or 3?
I don't know, 2. Probably 2 is enough. Let it go down a bit. I mean it's already down kind of. Like it's
but
broken.
We don't know that now. We don't know that it isn't going to turn around at this point.
Well, just watch this candle and get the feel for it. Get the feel for what you think. I mean, you think this candle's gonna?
Okay, well, don't let me enter anything. I've got it set to 2 minutes, so I don't want to enter no 1 minute trade with a 2 minute timer.
No, don't. You're on a 2 minute trade right now. You're waiting for it to drip down there, and then you're gonna take a 2 minute call if you think it's going up.
Do we need 2 minutes, or you just want 1?
I think 2 because I mean it's going up. I mean I don't think you need to do a 1 minute because what if it just accidentally farts around a little bit? I don't know, man. What do you think?
I don't know. It's gone up so much that it's at this point I feel like it's due to turn around. Like with a legit turnaround. It can't keep going up forever. I mean, I guess it can. But it's been going up. It's broken a lot of levels.
Yeah, they're all minor levels. It's going up to a bigger level. It's going up to.
Yeah, there are some bigger levels back here.
Probably going up to way up here. It's probably going up to there. It's probably gonna break all these levels until it gets up to like it's gonna break there. It's gonna break there. It's gonna break there. And break there. And it's gonna. Yeah, see, it's at another one. It's all the MACD is up. Everything's up. Red candle.
They're getting kind of smaller.
Yeah, they are.
I mean, I feel like it's going to pull back at some point. And that could be soon. Stochastic is cricking down. I mean, that doesn't mean much, but
Not in this chart.
Okay. I'm gonna set the timer back to 1 minute. So
No,
I'm
no,
not
no,
even
no.
changing.
Wait. I'm waiting for your 2-minute call.
You think we're taking a 2-minute call?
I'm thinking you should probably take like a 3-minute call because I think it's going up, dude. I think this trajectory is going to go straight up to that line, that bigger line of support. But it's going to take some time.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I mean every signal is saying put it because it's hitting all those lines.
Mm-hmm.
But like, what are you at, 2 or 3?
I got it set for 3, but I mean,
Yeah, now it's starting to go back down.
I feel like it's gonna turn around. I'm not sensing anything of a call here, but that doesn't mean I could be wrong. This is starting to look like more of a legit turnaround or a pullback at least, but yeah. I'm feeling like a 1 minute put.
1 minute to the white line right now if you want it. I mean, if you think it's going, then your MACD is about to cross, but you got to do it soon.
Right.
But right now, hold on. But right now, it's hit that line. So you think it's going to turn around for real?
Yeah. Do you want me
That's
to take
what you think. Then why take a 1 minute put now?
Should I wait for it to retract?
Yeah, no, I'd take it now because it's going. If it's going, it's going.
Okay. There we go.
Come on.
Okay. Lord, give us a win. Oh, Lord, give us a win. Keep that candle red. Push it down, Lord. Push it down. I'm praying.
Is it 1 minute? Did you have a 1 minute on this?
1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, it's pushing down, bro. It's pushing down. I got faith. It's gonna push down, and then this one's gonna end, and hopefully below our line, and keep pushing down for another candle here. There we go. Big push. Big push. Big push
End
down.
one and MACD double crossed on a massive level just then. I hope there's not a retraction.
I hope not. Okay. There's a little one.
Crap.
Oh crap.
That's a big
bigger
retraction.
One. Oh dang. Lord, push this down. Push this down. Push this down. Okay, come on. Push
All
down.
right, dude.
Push down. Oh goodness. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
All right.
Well, you know, the $11 idea didn't sound too bad, did it? Okay. Oh, this was a rough night. Well, that didn't age well, did it?
Hmm. I don't know, man. I don't know how to even think about that.
Take a couple of $10 trades and win it all back if you want. I mean, I don't know what else to do. Why did you just laugh?
You crack me up, dude. Dang it, I knew it. I had a feeling this thing was going to go up.
Well, it had the pullback that we were looking for. I just didn't get in it soon enough. I could have won it on that other candle.
We should have got in it when it first engulfed that little doji at the top.
Should have, could have, yeah. But I was waiting on you because you were like kind of hesitant, so I didn't want to do anything without your agreement.
You suck.
It ain't on me. It ain't on me.
Did I hold you back, man?
Yeah, you did, but that's okay.
Really?
I mean, well, we both picked a couple of winners. We were both like, this would have won, and then we ended up picking the loser. Okay, guys, I'm gone. Have a good night. Well, I think the chances of us having a good night are...
Alejandro?
That ship sailed. But hey, we appreciate you appreciate you hanging with us. Um, have a good night, buddy.
Dude, just make another. I don't know what we can make because like I don't know who's following us. What they have, you know.
They have at least that.
At least what?
At least like a $15. We could win a couple of 15s and win that back. As long as we picked good trades.
Well, why don't you start not sucking then and like some good trades?
Ain't on me, bro. Ain't on
Hmm?
either one of us. We both. Um,
I don't know. I think pocket option just beat our nuts tonight, man. Just squeezed our nuts right off tonight. We didn't follow our. Well, we didn't find a lot of our.
We did. That
Problem is
that last one was not because it was already out of. Okay, but let's
that
see.
last one when it engulfed that little mini candle up top. I think we lost a little bit of trust in our method
we were hesitant because
Yeah.
you know because we got to that. But the other option is we could just say screw it, we're going to 6 trade. I mean, we could go 5 deep, we could go 6 deep. Everybody's got enough money to do that. If we just wanted to say okay, 4 is not enough, we just want to relent now. Like I said, we could have taken an $11 trade. Yes, it would not have. It would have lost.
That
us
doesn't do
$1 million.
anything because we would have just been. I mean, I don't think that helps us. I don't think that really
Okay.
works
Well,
because what if you lost it? You would still be down quite a bit, but if you won it, you'd still be down. You'd still be down whether you won it or lost
right,
it.
but now we're out the initial $15. We're dug into further than where we started.
Oh.
So do you want to take a? Look at Intel, dude. Look at Intel. I want to at least try to make some of this back with one trade.
Well,
I'm not.
Well, then put a $15 trade in there and let's make a couple $15 trades.
That's what I'm saying. I got $15 on the clock here, and we can get some of this back. Okay.
But how do you?
We're in a big climb here with Intel.
Okay. Well, if we're gonna get serious, then let's just find your method because your method freaking works. We've won 6 or 7 in a row the other night.
Okay, this is turning around now. What's the levels at?
Intel. Intel. Yeah, Intel's gonna turn around pretty soon. It's above all of its levels. It's a runaway train. It's flat at the top. If this candle, the next engulfing red candle, just take it. I mean, I think we should just do that. If we're gonna make $15 trades, let's just take engulfing candles and go with the flow. You know what I mean?
Right.
If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. What's the big deal? I mean, this one kind of lines up. If that candle would happen to engulf this, then I would take it.
Yeah. I mean, there hasn't been a lot tonight. Like some of them were getting some dojis. I mean, but
yeah, it's
even
kind of
in
been
the history
weird.
of this chart, there's been. Now there was a red one that engulfed a doji, and then.
Okay, McDonald's is also one to look at. You keep watching that one. I'm gonna watch McDonald's.
Okay, now we're getting our engulfing candle.
If you get it, just take it. I am for you if you get it. I don't care how. Yeah, I mean, if it looks like it's down pressure, like McDonald's is actually, and Intel are almost the exact same chart. I mean, they're actually almost doing it. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Intel is probably. It's going down, then pulling back up. So I don't know.
Yeah. So is McDonald's. They actually look the same. It's weird. McDonald's is about to hit a massive line though. I'm not sure about Intel. Is Intel going to hit a line? No, Intel. Just wait for the engulfing candle. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's like right now you're just getting green candles. The next red engulfing.
It's going to happen.
Okay, McDonald's is hitting a big line right now. Hit there.
That one went straight to red. Okay. It's overbought. That's the thing. It may not engulf. I don't know. But now it's pulling up, so I don't know. It still go up a little bit.
Oh, look at it. Yeah, Intel's going to engulf. Maybe it is. Is it going to engulf and go down? I mean, it's so overbought that you'd think it would.
You would
Right.
think. I mean, it's close, but it's kind of like not. Well, it kind of is now. Do you want me to take it?
Well,
It's-
I don't
now
know.
it's not engulfing.
It didn't engulf. Yeah.
Now it is. Do you want me to
Well,
take
I'd take it. Yeah, because it engulfed. It kind of engulfed. Yeah.
it? Okay. We're in it. We're in it.
We're in it to win it,
We're
babe.
going to win it. I think we're going to win this one. I think we will.
I hope so. I mean, you got a feeling, right?
I
Did
mean,
you get the feeling?
I get the feeling that I wanted to win. Yeah.
Come on, baby. Come on. It kind of stuck. It kind of hit a line, but
Yes.
it did. Did it engulf it? Yeah, it kind of did.
It did. I mean, a lot of them haven't been doing that tonight, but
It got down. Let's see what this is going to do. Is this going to consolidate and go up?
Crap.
Yeah. Well, what the freak sucker? What the heck, dude? Come on, you sucker.
Oh, crap. Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, it's going down. It is freaking going
Well,
down.
just take a 2-minute put. Take a 2-minute put right now, dude.
two
just
or
wait till
three
2 or 3, whatever. It's going down. Take a 2 or 3 minute put from here.
for
just do
15,
it.
or you want to up
Yeah,
to 20?
15. Just go 15 and do it.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
And
Do it. Do 3. And when it gets up there. Yeah, when it gets up there. Yeah, now.
now, okay. I'm going to grab some tea. I'll be right back.
All right, grab some tea. Oh, if you're watching still, you can always listen to us on Spotify. You can listen to us on what is that? On Spotify, iTunes, YouTube. There's a win. McDonald's, I took a win on my own there. See what happens there. I can get my count back up. Been getting our butts kicked tonight. This is a pretty interesting little thing. I'm going to take a, let's see. Yeah, I think it's going down from here. What do I think it's going down from here? I do think it's going down from here. Yeah, I'm going to take another one there. Let's see if I can win that. It kind of seems like it is. Let's see. We're going to have to see if we can win that and win that. I took another put because I think this is a pretty big line right here. I think it's, I want to believe it's actually going to turn. It's actually going down. I'm actually going up right now, but I think we've got it in there. There is no backline. There is no backline that it's touched. So we can only kind of guess what it's going to do from what it's doing here. It's oversold and it's going to turn around. We've got, on Todd's trade, we've got 1:07. On mine, we've got 2.5, 2 minutes. So we got 1:07, and then we got 2.5 on mine. Todd's got a $15 trade in. Yeah, Todd's got a
Oh,
$15.
that looks narrow.
It's narrow,
Oh, Lord, give us this one.
but you're going to win it, I think. See, dude, I think that we can do these trades, and maybe we should be listening to our buddy Alejandro.
Well, he told us to take Tesla, and he was right.
Yeah, he did. He's looking at these 3-minute. He's looking at these 30-second candles and taking 2-minute trades, and he's looking at these bounces off these lines, dude. Like this one looks really scary to me. I hope it really wins, dude. You got it 24 seconds. It's really, really narrow. I'm going to delete this line here so I can see it. It's really narrow. Come on, baby. Come on, you freaking son. I'm going to have to quit trading tonight. I'm going to have to go to bed. Okay. All right, 10 seconds. 9.
pull
Come
down.
on.
Pull down.
Come on. There we go.
Pull down,
there we
pull
go. Pull down.
Hey, oh, pull down.
There you go.
Pull
9,
down,
4,
pull down.
3. Come on. Come on. Give
Oh,
us a good win.
yes,
Give us a good win.
yes,
Give us a win.
yes.
Did it win?
One.
It did. There you
Back
go.
up a little bit. Okay. Dude, can we take this down for another 3 minutes, you think?
I've taken it down for 3 minutes a couple minutes ago.
You want me to do it now?
I don't know, man. It's if you hit it again, it probably will. Yeah, if you hit it now, it does seem like it's going down.
Let me let it crig up.
Let it climb up a little bit. I'm winning. Wait,
Wait,
well,
what
I'm
are
almost
you taking
winning.
it on?
I already took it on this one. I took it a few minutes ago. I doubled
I'm
in
gonna
on
take
it.
it. Can I take it now, or should I take it?
Well,
for
I'd
like-
wait till it's kind of retracting a little bit. Give it a second.
Can I take it for 1 minute, or 2 minutes, or 3 minutes?
I want it to go down from here because I'm losing it right now. I got 30 seconds. I would take 3 minutes. I mean, because it's taking forever. Yeah, take it for 3 minutes, but yeah, it's losing position now. But if you take it for 2 or 3 minutes now, you're probably gonna be fine. Yeah, because it's crossing down, dude. It's gonna go down from here. I think it's going to the white line.
I could almost do 1 minute from here.
You could if you think this next candle's not gonna jump back up.
I'm gonna go 3 though. I'm gonna take another 3.
Yeah, take it 3 because it's slow. Oh, come on, man. I got 6 seconds. Come on. No. Stay down. There we go. All right, good. My account's back up to $79 now.
There we go.
Oh,
I'm gonna
now
take
it's to
that from here and
64.
let it push down.
See, I won, dude. I actually won a whole bunch. I won a McDonald's 3-minute trade while you were gone, and I won a 3-minute on that. And I won that. So yeah, I'm back up
dude,
to.
if you're winning all these trades, why don't you take them with me?
Well, I was, but I saw the McDonald's trade, dude. I took the McDonald's when it hit this top line, and I won it huge in 3
Well,
minutes.
then why don't you just tell me,
But,
dude?
but look at this. Look at this method. Look at Alejandro's method. In 1 minute, hits here, goes down. Hits here, goes down. Hits here. When it hit here, I just took a 3-minute trade when it hit that red line, and it went down again. So, dude, I'm kind of thinking that he might be onto something.
Okay. Well,
Because,
I'm open to ideas.
Like he's
you know?
doing 2-minute trades off 30-second candles. So he's seeing it bounce. I don't mind doing it off 1-minute candles and doing 3 to 4-minute trades because it hits that line. Like what we're doing right now. It's definitely going down. It's definitely cricking. It's definitely double crossing. It's definitely moving down. You know, if you win this trade, then we should probably stop tonight. We're not doing too bad. 64 plus, you know, what you're
I
gonna
hope
we're
it
gonna be
just
back.
keeps moving down, though. I mean, we'll see.
I think it's going to. Look at it. It's double crossed. It's going down. I mean, it's this big giant fish hook, dude. It's got no up pressure. You know,
Right.
you've got a good position. I can't
Yeah.
imagine it going.
Going up at all? You can't imagine it doing. what
I
it's
can't
doing?
imagine it doing what it's doing right now.
No, I think it's going to go down.
I think you're right. But like Alejandro's method is working, dude. He's winning really good. I mean, he's not doing
Okay.
too bad. I mean, I'm not saying our method is bad. I mean, unfortunately, it worked
It
for 2
worked.
nights
Oh,
really
crap.
good. And then it's still going down. It's still not going to break that line, I don't think. You know what I mean? I still don't think it's that's a pretty hard line. That's why I
Yeah.
like these 3-minute trades on lines that we really know. Like, see, yeah, it wanted to go back up there, but it's pushed itself back down.
Oh Lord, hold that candle down for me.
Yeah, I'd say we should stop tonight, regroup, think about it. I mean, come on.
Oh boy.
Come on. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, you still got 30 seconds actually. I think it's
It could
going
pull
down.
down though.
But you were up here before, and if you would have taken it up here, you'd definitely be winning. You know, you could have got a better position. Oh, thank God.
Oh yeah. thank
Hallelujah.
God. It's going to
I'll
go.
be praising
I
the
think it's
Lord.
going to consolidate and go all the way down.
I'll be hallelujah. I'll be shouting a hallelujah if we win this.
That's what I'm hoping
I'll be
for.
shouting a big hallelujah.
Yeah,
I'm going
me
to shout
too.
a hallelujah. My wife's going to wake up and tell me go back to sleep.
Oh boy, come on, push down,
come
push down,
on.
push down,
Come
down,
on.
down, down,
Push
down,
down.
down, 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 down.
Come
Oh my
on.
gosh, no, come on,
Come on.
Oh.
Oh, that's not good.
But you're off winning trades by yourself.
No, I only won one. You know, but and it was I didn't want to tell you because you were like really convinced that.
Well, I'm about to take a call. No, I'm not going to do that. But it is probably going to break this line now that it did that.
You know, it took a 1-minute call. You'd probably win right here.
You think?
I don't know, man.
You think it's going to break that?
I think it did break it. I mean, and now
it
it's all crossing up. I mean, do you think it's going to bounce back down from there? Probably not, dude. It finally broke out. Yeah, call it for a minute or two. Call it for 2 minutes. I mean, it's kind of
I don't know that I need to. I could probably just do one.
probably at the end of this candle. If you think it's going to step up, call it for a minute, you know?
And just keep taking 15-minute calls.
$15 calls, you mean?
Yeah, $15 calls. That'd be gutsy. But if I'm winning them,
Well, you could, yeah, because you win
okay.
two
Well,
or
check
three
it
of them.
out. What does it look like it's going to go up to next?
It's not. It's way above everything, dude. That's what I mean. This is it. Like it's
got a
up.
lot of
Just
upward.
call it. It's going to double cross up. Call it. Just call it. It's going to double cross up. Yeah, I think this is going to double cross up. See, the MACD is crossing up, dude.
Yeah,
Come on.
there it goes. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Come on, baby. Double cross up on the MACD. Come on, baby. We's up trading and a praying and singing and a trading. Anybody watching our podcast right now is thinking, man, these guys have lost their marbles. They've literally lost their marbles. They've literally lost their marbles out their face.
I'm
They
gonna
just take it.
Should I take the next one too?
I don't know.
You think it's going to keep going up?
I don't know. It's kind of slow.
You want me to?
Yeah, take it. Take another one.
I mean, I think it could keep going up, dude.
Whoa, crap.
What?
I don't know. I just did we win those? Yeah, we
Yeah.
won those.
We're going to win this one too.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, this is a trend surf. What was 69 and 27? See 96.
And this could climb for a little bit. Does it look? It's like way above everything, right?
It's above everything. I mean, the stochastic is kind of down at this point, so I'm not sure. I hope this one wins, and I wouldn't enter again. Well, this is one of those ones that you might. Yeah, I don't know, man. You keep winning. This will put us back to $100. Yeah, this will put us back to 100. Like this will put me back to about where we started tonight. So let's just stop. Yeah, this will put us back to only $5 less than when we started tonight. Just hold.
No, we're way down
Okay.
from where we started.
96. Okay, yeah, we're down.
Maybe you because you took a trade, but
Oh, okay.
I'm
yeah.
like well below my
What are you at?
initial $15. I'm at $392.32.
Oh, okay.
Well,
I got you. I see.
I could probably.
Well, I don't know. Look at that. Okay, it's slow, but it's slowing down now, and
Yeah.
the stochastic's crossing.
I might take
fact,
it down. I might take a.
If this engulfs, take a put.
Yeah, I might. Because it's still overbought. So.
Well,
Sorry.
I mean, but it looks like it's going up from here, but it's slowing down.
This could turn. I don't know.
Yeah, this is volatile. I'd be careful here. It's well,
It's
I don't know.
going to the top of that wick. Those wicks are the same.
Yeah, it's thinking.
I feel like it's gonna turn at some point because it went up with a lot of force and it's gonna well above everything. So it's gonna pull back. There's gonna be a pullback here.
There's nothing.
Okay, it's having a hard time breaking that wick. Do you see that? That wick line, it's having a hard time with that. So it's gonna pull down. I think pull back.
Yeah, but it
soon.
could just be pausing. It could totally just crank from here.
Could, and if it does, I'm gonna ride it up.
Yeah, I would call this next candle, don't you think? It's paused, it's going back up. I mean, it's kind of like it did break that. I don't know. It's kind of small now.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. It still seems like it wants to go up, but it's due for a red candle.
Mm-hmm. It could be this one.
It's all of them have been wicking though. It's late at night. It's starting to move slow, but it's going up.
It's like well above everything in it.
It is. It's well above everything. It's not. There's not going to be any stopping it. And it's late at night, and it's just going up. It's probably going to just keep going up.
You going to take another one after this, or you think it's due to turn around?
I don't know. I would take it on this dip like right now. Yeah, I would take it like right now.
But I don't know if it's going to turn around. It's gutsy.
Well, then don't.
I'd be better to wait for the turnaround. Wait for the
Oh,
pullback.
right. Wait for the
and
pullback.
Because it's due to pull back. And when it does, it's going to pull back. And then
Well, it might not pull back. It might go up for like 15 more candles.
it could. It could be one of those, yeah. There's nothing to base it on because there are no resistance points up here. All right, I think this is going to be the one-off red candle, maybe, unless it just pulls up.
We'll just call it right now for 2 minutes, and you're gonna win it, dude.
For 2 minutes?
Yeah. Well, when it dipped down like that, yeah, that's when you would
Unless
called
it turns around.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to. I mean, maybe
Because
maybe it will.
I'm only a couple trades away from restoring my account to clearing level 4 and putting everything back.
Yeah, right. At this method, you are. Yeah. See, I think it's going
If I'd have
up.
been writing this, we would have already cleared
Yeah,
level 6.
that's what I'm saying. I think it's going up from here. You know what I mean? I don't think it's going back down.
Think I should still get in on it?
I don't know.
I mean, I just don't know how far it's going to go. I mean, it's due to turn around at some point. Because one of these candles is not going to be green. And I don't want to lose again. So I'd rather be more strategic about it. Because one more win will put me over $15 or over back where I started, and then 2 more wins, 2 or 3 more wins would probably have me back to.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is going to be a red candle, but I don't know that it's going to be a full turnaround. I mean, I don't know that it's going to engulf. It might. Do you think I should take it?
I don't know, man.
I think I should because I think it's going to pull down.
I think it's going to go up but I don't know. I mean, it didn't engulf yet.
It didn't, but a lot of the candles tonight haven't been, so we can't really base it on that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's kind of doing both right now, but I think it's going to flip. I hope that it flips down.
Would you take a 1 minute?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay.
It's going to, well, let's see. What is it going to do? As long as it pulls down. Come on. Come on. You
Come on, baby.
Flip down. Flip down. Push down.
Man,
Big
it's
push
dojing
down.
hard, dude. There you go. There you go. There you go. You got it. Then you get it?
Feel it. Yeah, buddy. I got it. I got it. Look at that. Woo. Can you feel that? I'm getting excited here.
Killing it, dude. You're killing it.
Okay, that was gutsy, but
You are
we got
killing it.
okay. You think I could take another 2 minute down from here, or you think it's going to go up?
Yeah, man, I don't know. I would take a 2 minute up, but that's just because it's been climbing, and I think it's going to climb.
Well, let's see if it.
But I don't know. But we don't know yet because it is stopping, and we don't have any other.
There's nothing to base it on. There's no resistance up here.
Right. So.
But I can. Okay, how much do we need to clear level 4?
I don't know. What's your account at right now?
404.32. What?
You're at 404.32.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. You're at 404.30. I don't know, man.
Yeah, I feel like it's gonna. go down ultimately.
I guess if the MACD and stochastic started turning that direction, I'd be more inclined to think it was doing that.
How much do we need to clear this level? To clear level 4. I've restore everything and clear level 4.
To clear level 4? Like,
Yeah, to get back up to where we were at 425 when
well,
we
you
started.
need to clear level 5 where we were. You needed 420. You needed $426. No,
That's where I was when I started. Was 425 something.
so you need like 435.
Okay. At what point would that $27 trade put me back in the game?
You're already back in the game, dude. You already have 404 now, right? How much do you have now? 404.
Yeah.
Well, you're already back in the game. Let's just.
Yeah, but I want to be back at the level we were at least where we started, 425. So,
Well, then you need another couple wins. Just do them. Just do $15 trades until you get
okay,
there.
I think this is going down. I'm about to take a 2-minute down.
Hold on. Oh man, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, go ahead. Wait, let it. I mean, it's kind of like I'd wait till it got up there a little bit and take a 3-minute because it's so long. I mean, it's taken so long. Is it going to the white line? Yeah, I mean, it's going to go back down. It looks like the MACD and the stochastic are oversold, and if it gets up there, you're gambling, but you could take a 3-minute put. Yeah, from up there. Yeah, I think that's right. Unfortunately, we're blind on past levels, but it's been sitting up here for a while trying to consolidate. So,
right.
I mean, for a while.
Mm-hmm.
But the MACD is definitely, when you zoom out, the MACD is definitely going to cross down. And it hasn't given us enough down pressure yet. So I think its down pressure is coming. So I think you're
coming,
right.
Yeah. It's going to just crash at one of these points because it's kind of happening now. It's going down slowly,
Right.
It
yeah,
is
I think
trying
you're
to pull back up, but it's going to gain momentum and it's just going to
all right.
push
You
down.
watch out. I'm going to go try to find you another double top, chart to take a 3-minute put on or call on.
Okay.
If I can find one that looks really obvious, then I'll tell you. If not, then I'll just.
This is going to be a $27 win. So if it wins, I think it's going to win. I hope it's going to win.
I pray that it wins.
I'm praying it wins. Lord, I need this to win.
You need to kick some butt, dude. You're being a trading genius tonight, dude.
Genius, no, but
Yeah, you're a trading genius. We should just get on here every night and just make $15 trades until we win. Come on, baby.
That's an idea, actually. Because if we won one starting off, we'd probably have our win and be done.
Right. Let's see here. Comes down here. I'm going to start marking some levels here because I think comes down, it hits here.
Okay, if I win this, it's going to put me at like $416.
That's pretty awesome.
Okay, come on back.
How much is this going to win? It's going to win like $30 or something.
27.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, bring it down. Bring it down. Come on.
Does it look like it's even in some kind of consolidation line where it's going to win?
Kind of.
Okay.
Come on down. Thank you, Lord. Oh yeah. Come on down. Yeah, if this consolidates downward, then we're going to have this. I just need this to come down and come down with some kind of force. There we go.
There we go. You know how to speak to these candles, man. It's like you have it's like you're part of their.
Like they're listening to me? No, I don't think so.
I think they might be, dude. I think they might actually be listening
Lord,
to you.
Push this candle down.
Here you go. Yeah, man. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Come on, baby. Yes, Lord. That's upsetting. Come on now.
Come down. Come on.
It's got to come
down.
down.
Push down. Push
come
down.
on. There you go.
Push down into the money. Push down into the money. Come on.
Come on.
Oh. Did it touch?
No, it touched.
Ah, crap. It didn't do it.
It touched, but it didn't do it quite yet.
All right. Find me one that I can.
All right. Go to Euro NZD and tell me about making a 3-minute call on that one. Or, Euro NZD. It's hit it twice. It's actually hit it there, went up, hit it there, went up there.
3-minute call
A 3-minute call on that from there, and if you're gonna do
from
it,
right
you need
here,
to,
right
yeah,
now.
yeah, you need to do it soon. Like,
Okay, there we go.
look at that, it's shooting up there. That's a little more realistic because that
Holy
one's actually
smokes.
what?
It just shot up there.
Oh
Keep
yeah,
doing
dude,
that.
that's what I'm saying because it hit that line. See what I mean? I'm
Mhm.
channeling Alejandro right now. Look at that, dude.
Hmm.
I mean, it hit that line. Look how many times it hit that line.
I don't think we needed 3 minutes, but
We might not have. That's what I mean. I don't know. I'm just kind of going with kind of like his method, and maybe. Oh yeah, maybe this one will do it too. Yeah, this one's going to do it too, I think.
if you can find me a couple of these, dude, I'm game
McDonald's.
because-
Okay, McDonald's. Go to McDonald's and consider making a $15 put. Like if it hits that green line, it isn't there yet. If it goes a little bit higher, I'll tell you when. It's got to go a little higher.
I see what you're doing there, yeah. But don't you usually think that it blows through it on the?
Oh, it's hit it a bunch. So one, it's hit it there, it's hit it there. I mean, I don't know. It's over. It's over. You know, it's wanting to get up there.
Mm-hmm.
I'd wait for the next candle and see what happens. It's kind of blowing through. I'd let it blow through it. I'd actually put it right now.
Okay.
Put it.
McDonald's.
Yeah, when it goes up, when it jumps up, put it now or whatever. I don't know. It's kind of going up. I don't
I
know.
want to make sure I win this other one.
Oh, okay. You're making sure you win that one.
Yeah, we got a minute on it, don't we? Yeah. It's still up there, but it's got a full minute and it's on a red candle right now, but it's still pretty high above there. But it's could shoot down some level of force. It's got 45 seconds. Oh crap.
What?
Lord, hold that candle up.
Has it got 45 seconds there? Oh, geez, yeah. It ain't going down there, dude. It ain't going that far down.
I don't think it will. Okay.
I hope not. Okay, it's got 1 minute. Okay. It's probably set up a separate level. It's beyond that level down there. I mean, it's moved on from that level. I don't think it's heading back down to that level. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I don't think it is. 14 seconds. Okay. So back to McDonald's. What's going on with it? Still game or still?
I don't know. I put it for $10 when it tapped that line.
Why are you doing your own trading? Trade with me.
Because you just aborted it. So I was like, well,
okay, we're good. Do it. Should I take it? Should I take it still?
Yeah, for like 2 minutes maybe. And wait till it shoots up a little bit and take it for 2. I mean, if you think it's going to go down, I think it's going to go down.
But is it going to keep going up?
I don't know. I think it hit that line. I think it's going down, dude. I think if you don't get in soon, you're screwed in yourself. But don't
Should I just take it for 1 at this point?
Maybe. But
how far is it going to go down?
I don't know. I would take it for 1 at this point. Maybe, I don't know. It might go back up. I would just.
I'm not going to take it at this point.
It tapped the line.
Find me another one.
See, it tapped the line. That's where you needed to be. You can't be.
Yeah.
You can't be messing around because see now it's going to go back up, but it probably isn't going back up past the line. As soon as it tapped that line, I took it put. I mean, I just took it when it tapped up there.
Okay, we're at 2:00, so 92% now, buddy.
Oh, good.
All right. So now Apple. Look at Apple. Apple sort of hit a line. Should I take a call on it?
Hold on. No. Hold on. No.
I don't know if this can't. What this can't.
No,
this
that's not.
might
That's
actually
not
just
it.
keep going down. Actually,
That's not it. That's not the method. The method is like big, long. You look at like this one. Look at this one. Big, long. You know, you can see these big points. You draw a line, and when it taps it, you call it. That's what I did. I was waiting for it. You know, so go. I found these like NZDJPY. Okay, NZDJPY is due for a put. Let's see if it'll tap this line. Yeah, if it goes up and hits that line, I would put it for 2 minutes. 2 or 3 minutes.
NZDJPY?
Yeah, NZDJPY. It's already kind of up there. It's going up now. It's going up. I'll tell you when. I mean, if you trust this method, it's going up.
90%.
Yeah. I would say I would say
For
tap
what?
it for
2 minutes?
2 or 3 minutes. Yeah,
What do you do? 2 or 3?
I've been doing 3, but yeah, I would tap it now for 3 minutes.
Put
Yeah, put
right
it for
now.
3. Yeah, right now, 3-minute put. Do it.
Okay.
I mean, I'm only following this thing. Hit there, it comes down and goes. Hit there, hit there. I don't know if it's gonna do it again, dude. I just won this trade huge. Look at that win.
Which one?
I mean, that one I did on McDonald's won massive.
Why are you trading on your own? Trade with me. Trade with me.
I am trading with you. I told you to take that, and you didn't do it.
I took
so-
it. I got it. I'm in on it. I'm in on it. It's still
I know.
going above there, but
No, it's okay, but you got 3 minutes on it, so
yeah.
it's fine. It's probably, if it's going to obey that line, what it's going to do is it's going to go up, wick there, and then it's going to start moving down. Now, if it's going to blow it, then it's going to blow over it, and it's going to lose.
We don't want that.
No, freak, no. Come on. See, that was the smaller. Let's see, I'll find you another one.
This might
Maybe that-
retract.
Maybe that's how Alejandro is winning so many trades, because he's just like finding these massive. Like,
He's just trading off of support and resistance.
right. He's finding where it goes. If it hits it once.
This might retract. I don't know. It's not. I mean, I don't know what it's going to do, but
Yeah, Tesla is up. Tesla's going up to another line of resistance. Tesla may actually.
okay. This is retracting. Come on, Lord, retract this. It's got 1 minute and 30 seconds, but man, it's shooting up there.
Yeah, it doesn't look good.
Come on. Okay, if this is the turnaround candle right here, and this engulfs, then we
What's
got
this got?
this.
Minute and 16?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. If this becomes the engulfing candle, then we'll have this. But I don't know that it's going to do it. Oh, it might retract. It might actually. It might go down and engulf this.
53
Yeah.
seconds.
I got 50 seconds on this. This could go all the way down. And
I mean, it
and
kind
if
of broke that line, so I'm worried about it. But it could go down. Yeah.
Oh yeah. If this closes below that line, if it engulfs that,
We got 37 seconds.
then
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a win.
There we go. Come on, man.
Oh yeah, thank you, Lord. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Push down,
come on.
push down, push down.
It looks like stochastic wants to go down. Come on. Okay, you got 25 seconds now.
Okay, this could
This-
be. Okay, this candle could go, and if it does, and if it goes with some force, we're gonna have this. It's got 14 seconds. It's got to
Come
give a
on.
good push here. Oh yeah, come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can
Gonna
do it.
engulf? Is it going to
You
engulf
can do it. It is going to. It's going to. Come on. Oh.
Oh, it bottomed out. Oh, crap.
Crap.
This is the best live stream we've ever had.
Okay, well, I'm just kind of getting hostile.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's going to go down now.
Mm-hmm. Is it gonna bounce completely though? Could
I
I
don't
take a
know.
1 minute down on it, or is it just shot now?
Yeah, I don't know, because that's an engulfing candle in your method. I don't know. Is it going to go
But
down?
it's the second one. It's not the first. It could keep going up from here.
But it's probably not, because it's probably actually going to go down, because it just. Would you take a minute?
Yep.
Okay, you're psycho.
Nope. I think it's gonna go.
Look at my win on Tesla. Look at my screen. Look at this win on Tesla. Boom, hits up there, goes up. Boom, hits that, and just bounce the crap down. I think you have to have like a longer spread between these. Like the one we lost on, I think it was too close.
Yeah.
Like,
I'm watching my trade intently right now. So
Okay,
come
how's it
on.
going?
It's winning so far.
I can't believe, dude, you were gutsy. That's a 1 minute. Is it
Well, but I think there's gonna be a third red candle because it just
NZD
looks
JPY?
like that.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I got you.
So
Come on,
I
baby.
mean,
Come on, baby.
I just feel like this is gonna be a red
Come on,
candle.
baby.
So
Anybody? This should be the marathon. There we
Oh,
go. Come
crap.
on. No,
come on,
no, go
push
down.
push
Come
down,
on.
push down. Oh
Come
my
on.
gosh, are you
Come on,
freaking
come on.
serious?
Come on. Come
Oh
on.
yes, yes, I want it. I want it. I want it. I want it.
There you go.
I want
You
it.
make the happy dance. You make the happy dance. Dude, you're hilarious. Dude, that was
I'm
awesome.
like, okay,
What are you at now?
I'm at $412. I am exactly where I started at level 1. So I've got my $15 back in everybody's account. So
Okay.
I am back at square one, but I could be back to where I was with just 2 more wins.
Dude, I'm where I started tonight. I'm where I started.
Because you're trading, you're rogue trading.
Dude. Well, I made two. No, I'm sorry. I'm $5 under what I started tonight. I started at 105 tonight. I'm at 101. But
Okay, well, can you trade with me instead of in
I am
addition
trading
to?
with you. I am trading with
No,
you.
you are doing your own trades. Like, let's stay focused here. We got to get this back for everybody's sake here. You're following me, so I mean, this benefits you. So let's find a couple of good wins. Our own. Quit doing your own trading.
Okay.
And,
Okay.
and
Okay.
let's.
Okay.
We're at 92% now, so we're at an advantage. We can have this all back really quick.
Okay. So you want me to find you some
Yes,
long,
let's find.
like
Well, I
2
don't care
minute?
how long they're. I don't care if they're exact textbook trades. You know.
Well, the only thing I'm doing is doing what Alejandro said. That's all
Okay,
I'm doing
well,
right now.
then we can do that. I don't know. I lost one of those a minute ago, but
Well, that's because I think it wasn't long enough. I think it wasn't. I mean, it wasn't long enough. It broke over.
okay. Well, then find some of those. I'm game for.
I've
whatever.
won like 4 of Alejandro's method while we've been
Listen,
doing
all
this.
I'm saying is, if we're going by the dollar amount, dude, I don't even care if we get in here and win, one trade a night. That's the whole amount. I don't care how we do it. I mean, we only have 4 trades.
Obviously, the way we were doing it took forever, and we sucked at it. And now we've just literally made all our money back just by randomly hitting the button at $15.
Well, we're not back up there yet. So,
No.
but maybe we're making it harder than it has to be. I don't know. So let's just okay. Euro NZD, that's kind of climbing up. Is this climbing up or is this retracting? What's
Hold on.
this
Let me.
doing?
I gotta go back to Euro NZD.
I just don't want to end this night in a defeat. I want to end at least. I don't care if it's a wash of a session, but I want to end at least at level 3. Where
Euro
we were.
NZD, is it going up? I mean, maybe, but
Maybe it doesn't look like anything. I'm just tossing.
I don't know. Okay. I'm
Okay. NZD USD is at. It's at a line of resistance right now.
Yeah, I don't know about that one. Let me see. Let me try to look at some big long lines and see if there's any.
Find
in there.
something. I don't care. Just find me something.
Let me try to find one. I found a few. I now I'm just getting tired.
I get it, but
I feel good. I'm at 101. I mean, I feel like, man, finally we got to 101. And
I feel like finally we've got everybody's money back, but placing one trade on it endangers even the $15 starting capital. So,
well, if we place a, yeah, I mean, if you're in this, then you got to be in it. Then you got to be able to,
well, I've got one trade deep because I placed it and I blew $15.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're
I'm
trying to
looking
say.
at CAD JPY, which is 86%, and it's kind of like shooting up, but
CAD JPY
mm-hmm.
shooting down, dude.
Well, it is, but is it going to shoot back up?
Hmm.
You know what I mean? Like if I called it from here, do you think it's going up or do you think it's
No.
going down?
Well, I don't know.
How do you not know? You know everything.
Okay. Odd NZD is actually one that might actually be good. Odd NZD.
Uh-huh.
If it reaches up to that line right there, then you could probably put it for 3 minutes. It's if in a couple candles, like it's going up.
Mm-hmm.
But once
because
it gets
you're
up there,
basing it on the
I'm basing it on
first
it.
hit, second hit.
Well, the first it didn't really hit the first time. I'm basing it on this top one here. This would be if it goes up to there again. Maybe this one. Maybe this one too. I mean, if it goes into this area again, let's say if it hits that again right there.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm gonna keep an eye on that one. I'm gonna try to find some other. I'm gonna mark some like lines. Oh yeah, this is a good one right here.
What do you want?
NZD JPY. If it busts down and hits that line again, which it's going down, then it probably would be a good one to call for 3 minutes. Yeah, CAD JPY is going down, but at some point it's gonna hit that white line and go back up. Right now, it's actually going down. It's about to double cross in the MACD. but it's pretty spent. So if you called it for 3 minutes, it'd probably win. But I would almost wait till it got down to right here. I'd wait till it got down to that level. Actually, when
Mhm.
it already did hit that level. I think you could probably call it for 2 minutes, but I don't know. That's a little bit off. I mean, yeah, it tapped that line. You could have called it probably.
Have you noticed we've kind of thrown my whole strategy out the window? Right now we're just desperate. We're like, okay, I gotta win somehow.
I don't know. Your strategy kind of fell apart, bro.
Oh, no, it works, dude. It friggin' works.
It works until none
I've
of the
noticed that every strategy has days where it doesn't work. Every strategy.
yeah, it works until it just doesn't work that day, and it doesn't have any setups, and it's like, dang, you know.
Right.
McDonald's is setting up to go down to a pretty good solid line.
But it could also go below that.
Well, it could, but I'm saying it.
I mean, it dipped below it once before, but that doesn't mean that it would. But it also, when it did, it went up, back up from it, and then back down.
Yeah, I mean, it hit there once, it hit there again, hit here. See, this is what Alejandro does. Hit here, goes down, hits here, goes down, hits here, goes down. I mean, that top line is very solid.
Yeah.
This bottom line is a little bit less solid, but still, if it hits that bottom line, you could probably call it.
Right.
Oh wow, I don't know what that's gonna do. I don't know. Huh.
Who's in the fridge out there? Who? Hey, could you bring me some iced tea? Bring the gallon in here. I got a cup. Somebody's watching us on Facebook.
Wow,
Who is it?
that's cool. I don't know.
Hi, whoever you are watching on.
They're probably
Facebook.
bored as crap. I can't. My chat went offline. I don't know how I'm even supposed to log in. Oh, maybe I have to log into my.
They probably are bored as crap. Just bring me the tea.
I gotta figure out what my password is. It logged me out. Restream logged me out of chat.
Huh? Adam's family. Here, you can go put this back in the fridge. I just fill up. Hold on, you're not on the video or nothing. You ain't on video. See? Can't even see the screen. Yeah, you're not in the picture.
The longest podcast in the history of podcasts. No, it's not.
I don't know.
Twitter. Probably missed it on Twitter.
No, I can't see you. Oh, there you are, right there. Everybody, say hi. Say hi to everybody. Be like, hi, everybody. Ain't nobody watching right now. Actually, there was like one person on Facebook. I don't know who it is. Just say hi to everybody. Here, you got the microphone. Say hi.
No, I have 4 hours before I go to bed.
Okay. Well, good night.
Huh.
Kids on summer break, you know.
Man, I ordered a new webcam and Amazon never sent it to me. They never delivered it. They never said it's delivered.
Well, that's a shame.
That's a real shame.
You know what's a bigger shame though?
What?
Starting out with 425 and being at 400.
Is that what you are?
Mm-hmm. 412 cents.
Well, it's because
I'm
we
telling
suck.
you, dude, we could have it all back.
That's because we suck at this, dude.
No.
No, you don't think we do?
Mm-mm.
Oh, McDonald's. Okay, McDonald's is heading straight up. If it hits that line again up there, I would probably put it. Oh, Odd NZD is about there. It tapped that line. I don't know. This one's a little more iffy to me, but it's about Odd NZD is about to tap the line. You got 3 minutes in your timer.
3 minutes, huh?
Okay. So Auden ZD has tapped here. It's tapped here. It's come down. It's tapped here. Get ready because in the next couple candles, it's probably going to hit that line again. Just we
Okay.
got to decide if we think it's going to actually.
But see, I noticed when it hits it, it kind of bounces around. It doesn't always go straight down.
Well, yeah, that's why you make a 3-minute call or put. You get it. At,
Well, but there was like 5 candles in that last one. You see that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, if you would have put it here, 1, 2, you would have hit 1. You would have put it here. It would have been 1, 2, 3. It would have been totally fine.
Okay.
5, you would have been fine too. It would have been way down here. You got to get it when it taps it. You can't wait till it. You got to get the highest position possible on that line so
Okay,
that.
I don't have the line on my screen, so be sure to
Well,
tell
I'll tell
me.
you when it's going back down for now, so I'm not sure what's going to happen.
Maybe it's not gonna make it.
I hope it does because I want it to. Yeah, it's going to make it.
If I win this, it'll give me a profit of $13.80, which means at a $15 trade, it'll give me $13.80, which will put me at $4.13. I'll be one trade away from having everything back that we started with.
McDonald's? Oh, it didn't even go there. Yeah, it just totally tanked. So never mind.
Okay, it's about to tap it in it.
Oh, wait. Auden ZD, dude. Auden ZD. Is that what you're on?
Yeah.
It tapped
Don't-
it now.
Tell me when to put it.
I would put it now, 3 minutes. I mean, unless it's going to break it. You know?
Well, I just put it, so
Well, I'm
Mhm.
hoping it's going to work.
I'm hoping it's going to work too. I think
Let it
it's
bounce
going to.
around up there. But I mean, it definitely broke it. And that's what Alejandro says. I think he says when it breaks it, you know, like when it goes above it, like so
Yeah.
it's at a good level.
Well, this is definitely flipping. Okay, it hit it. Now it's going down. So,
Yeah, that's what I mean, dude. I think there's
if
something
this goes
to this.
down for 2 candles, all right. If it does go down for like 2 candles, then even if the third candle turns, it won't go straight
Yeah,
back up to
right.
it yet.
Yeah, right. I mean, even you got such a good position on that, dude. It would have to break. It would have to really break.
Are you in
got-
multiple trades or just the one I placed?
No, I'm just in your trade. I'm focusing now. Okay, I'm helping you. I'm focusing. I was getting a little
Well,
crazy.
ain't no
earlier.
helping me. It's either going to win or we can't back out. I mean, it's,
No, I
it's
said I'm
there.
focusing. I'm focusing and helping you. I'm not like making.
Okay,
extra
gotcha.
trades.
You're not placing your own trades. Okay.
No, I was
All right,
doing
so
that earlier.
It's working so far. It is going down. So
Yeah, your position is really good on this one. It's like it's above even. You know, you got a great position, dude, because it bounced above kind of
Mhm.
above the line where it's ever even been, and so it's okay if it farts around up there a little bit. You know, as long as it doesn't break above it.
As long as it don't break above it, we're good. But I want it to go down and get a better position.
Yeah. Well, look where it's been, dude. It's been down there pretty far. It's been going down there. This is worrying me. But I mean, even still, it's not. As long as it doesn't close out up here and set up a new level, you know,
Oh crap! Which
it's okay. You still got a minute. This candle ends. It shoots back down. It's gonna consolidate underneath there.
as long as it consolidates underneath there, we're good.
It's kind of above where it was. So, Alejandro said he was going to send me some pictures of his stochastics. He says he's studying the stochastic a lot. I don't know what that means. I don't know what he's trying to figure out, but he must be smart, dude. He must be
If
figuring
this
something
candle,
out.
okay, this candle's going to close out. Oh crap!
Come on.
That's not good.
No, this is not good at all.
Oh dang. Okay.
But it might still go down. You've got a good position. I don't know why it's broken above that. Let's see if it's hit it a little higher. What is it doing? Come
Okay,
on.
come on.
Come
It
on.
could go down. Oh
Come
yeah.
on. Yeah,
Oh,
it's
thank you,
wicking down.
Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Come on,
Break that
baby.
down.
Come on.
Oh, push down
Come on.
below that line.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, come on, come on. Oh crap. Nope. It
Okay.
lost.
Sorry, bud.
Okay.
All right. I'll find you another one.
Find me one that's in my strategy, not Alejandro's, because
Oh, you want me to find you one on yours on the 1 minute?
well, obviously that one is hit or miss. I don't trust it. I haven't tested it. We're sitting here banking $15 trades on it. We never even used it. This
Yeah,
one, I
well.
feel like, okay, that just engulfed. I could take the next 1 minute down.
Yeah, go ahead. If you feel like it, go for it. Yeah, because it's going down from here, dude. If you think it's going down, then
This is
go
a
for
big
it.
candle, though.
Don't be afraid of it. But yeah, but it's dude, it's gonna tank from here. That's why I think you were just off by a minute. I mean, if you took, it's wait till if you want to wait till it goes up a little bit, but yeah, go ahead and take it now, dude. It's probably going down. It's tanking and it's underneath. Unless it's consolidating, but it's not.
No, that's not consolidation. That's going down.
It's pushing. Yeah, I mean this is your method at consolidating.
That's
I
my
mean it went
strategy
up.
right there.
It went up. It got big, and I'm glad you jumped that candle. I'm not glad that's happening, but
I think that
why is it doing that?
because it's 92% and the charts are volatile.
Come on, baby.
Come
I
on,
gotta
go
quit
down.
after this. I'm not
Go
winning
down,
any
go
money.
down,
I'm
go
not
down.
getting any better.
Oh, crap. Come on.
Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, it's got down pressure like crazy. It's got freaking massive down pressure. All right.
Nope. Okay.
All right. Well, let's find. Can we win 4? Can we win 4 trades in a row using just your method right now?
You say, can we?
Yeah, can we?
Well, we've done it before.
Can we do it now? That's what I'm saying. Now is when it counts, dude.
Yeah, we can.
All right. Well.
But we got to find
All right. All right. Set it $15. Set it 1 minute.
it. Okay.
And oh no. Yeah, that's weird. I gotta go to bed, man.
So, okay. My account is now at 370. So,
Okay, well, you better win some trades.
yeah, I got to win some trades here. I'm real freaking tempted right now to just start taking waterfalls. I'm real tempted.
Well, I mean, that's how we won all our money back before there.
Yeah.
But I mean, you see a waterfall? I don't see
Apple,
one.
yeah. It's not quite at a line yet, but
Oh, yeah.
every time we get in, we hit the turnaround. So
You just gotta be careful. Just gotta be careful on your entries. Is that really a waterfalling chart? You feel like that's really going down? It's probably going down. Yeah, it's probably going down to that next line down there. I mean, maybe you should be taking like 2-minute waterfalls,
there we go.
Is that
We
a
got
1
this
minute?
First one. Oh crap!
That's okay. I think it's going down still. Maybe you should be taking 2 minutes though, because it's heading in that general direction. If you get a little bit of a, well, I don't know. Our waterfall trades have always been 1 minute.
I've always been 1 minute.
Okay, this one's decent. It's at the second part of the candle though.
As long as it keeps pushing down, as long as it gets a good push here, we're okay.
20 seconds, 10. Why does it want to peter out? I mean, this chart has been going down for a long time. Just
What
with
I'm worried
almost
about
is this
is a
hiccuping
flip
here.
up. Yeah.
Yeah, but I think you should just take this next candle. Well, wait till this wins. Wait till this wins here. There you got it. That is so narrow. There you go.
That was narrow.
There. Wait on this one. Wait till it. and I would take like 2-minute trades, dude. This one, I mean, this one's like got so many little. It's mostly got red candles though, and I think it's going to go down. You might want to wait till it pushes. Let me draw a line here because if it pushes below this line, it's
Mhm.
probably going to go. It's probably going to go further. You know, it's got one more line it's got to hit, and then it could go all the way down to that next line.
Right.
I don't know. It's fighting against that line.
Yeah. Well, if we get a turnaround here, we can also take the.
Yeah, that's true. If you get an engulfing yellow or engulfing green on this candle, because it's hitting a line right now, it's hitting a pretty decent line right about now.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know. I mean, I still think it's just got really a lot of down pressure.
It does have, yeah.
It's got a lot of down pressure. Also, it could turn around here. Do you think? I guess this would be in your method if this hits this line and turns up and engulfs, and you could think it's going up, right? Okay, it's blowing through that line, but the next candle could be a retraction. Okay, I'd wait for the next candle to see what it's going to do, because then you could win a couple on the way down. You could win a couple good ones on the way down. Right now, I'm not sure it's not going to turn around. You get what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. Should I be taking 1 or 2 minutes, you think?
Don't take anything right now.
Yeah.
Wait till it tells us it's either going to turn around or it's going to push through. If it starts pushing through, I would just start taking 1 minute puts. If it, see, like right now, this could be an engulfing green candle, or it could be the one green candle on the way down too.
Could be.
It's hit a line for sure though.
Yeah.
Like, and it's oversold. So, in candle pressure, do you think this is going to engulf and go up? It definitely hit a line.
No, because it's still pushing down.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. You don't think this is going to engulf and go up? Look at that.
It could at this point, but it's hard to say because it's kind of at the same level as the last green candle. It's not really.
No, it's
engulfing
going
now, but
it's engulfing now.
I don't know. It could still just be a random one-off candle. I don't know that it's going to go up. We could try it.
It's going to go up. Yeah, I'll just call it. Yeah, this is going up, dude. This is an engulfing candle.
You don't think it's going to dip down though?
I don't know. What do you think? You're the man. I think it's going to go up.
Well, there we go.
I mean, if it's in your method, it's going to go up because it's going down. Big old downtrend. It turned around. The stochastic popped up. Look at that. I mean, that's a textbook call.
That is. Yeah, that is.
I mean, it engulfed it just enough. I mean, it didn't get crazy big.
Right. And yeah, MACD and stochastic are both cricked up.
And they're both overbought or oversold. So, I mean, this seems like.
Come on.
Come on now. 20 seconds. What does it want to do?
It's going to go up. It's going to pull up. I think it's going to pull up. I say that, but I say it because I want it to. But come on. Yes, I'm being positive here.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. That's a narrow little window there. Come on. That is not right.
Dude, really?
So what is this going to do next? What is this going to do?
Go up.
Well, then call it.
But what if it don't?
Dude, I thought you knew.
How would I know?
Well, yeah, I mean, it might. Is it going to the white line? I mean, it looks like it might.
I don't know. It could be like consolidating here. I don't know.
Okay. That's fair enough.
Well, I mean, does it look like it's going to go up?
Well, I don't know. I was asking you because you know how to read these candles. I think
Take it for like 2 or 3 minutes up, but I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know either. I don't know if it's going up. I mean, it does look like it's going up. I'd probably take like a 2 or 3 minute call, a 2 minute call from here, even a 3 minute, because the stochastic and MACD are coming out. You know, I'd wait till it dipped down and take like a 3 minute call because it hit a line, dude. It hit a pretty definite line, and it's heading up.
There.
What is that? What is that? 2.5 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, look at the MACD's crossing. The stochastic's breaking up. I mean, it's turning around. So, You know, it's like, I don't know what that means. It's like, is it really going to turn around, or is it going to just like pause on its way down?
Well, everything's moving upward, so
Yeah.
I mean, it's
That's what
getting higher. That's a good sign.
That's what I think. That's what I think too.
But do you realize now my account's at 350, 362, which means we've dropped back down $50 since. So our accounts have fluctuated $100. It
Yeah,
seems
because we were up at, I was at 100. Now I'm at 55. You know what I mean?
like. Mm-hmm.
It's like that candle there. Well, I mean, that's how this stuff beats you, dude. I was ready to stop when I was at 100, but I'm okay to keep going because I figure it's like now or never. It's now or later. It's blow it now or blow it later, or win it
Yeah.
now or win it later. I don't know. I mean, it's
Come on.
like no better time than the present, right?
No time like the present. Come on, flip
No
it up.
no time like the present to flip this bad boy down. Oh, Facebook, dude. Facebook would be a nice like 2 minute put. It's like
Well, we're losing
not
the
sure.
other one. So
we are.
yeah,
I hope we lose. We're gonna lose it or we're gonna win it. You think?
I don't know. It's losing. 50 seconds left. 48 seconds. It's losing. I'll tell you if it goes into the money, but
I'm looking. Man, that's kind of weird. Yeah, that's.
I don't know if Facebook's gonna.
You think it's gonna keep going down? Oh, come on. Yeah, I don't know. These charts have been kind of ornery tonight, dude.
You realize though that we haven't lost more than 2 or
Come
3 in a
on.
row, other than the time we blew it.
Yeah,
So, do you realize that if we were just 6 deep on this plan, we would be just fine?
we probably need to just pause and do our finances. There you go. There you go. Look at that. Look at that, dude. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Just doesn't want to make it tonight. We might want to wait here because, like, I only have 54, and we might want to wait here and like actually go 6 deep on our plan and just win like 10 or 15 at a time. And we could have just been doing this at 6 deep and been winning every trade.
I
mean,
know,
we could,
because we haven't lost more than 2 or 3.
right. We could just be like winning.
I mean, like we could almost just be taking like we've been doing. We've just kind of been using different strategies, like what we know
Exactly.
to win, and we've been doing just fine. We haven't lost more than 2 or 3. I mean,
Right.
we only have to win 10 a day for 30 days. That's it.
Yeah.
Yes, it's more than 4, but we have 6 deep.
We've also been trading like crazy wackos too.
Yeah. But can you go 6 deep on the 1.5? Think about that. With $60.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean,
not
maybe
with
not.
$60.
Maybe not with 60. But I mean, we're just going to have to get our accounts up somehow. Probably with 60 you probably can. Let's see. If you start with $1 at 1.5, you can go 6 deep with $98. Starting with $1.
Okay. How much does Emily have at this point?
She has like 55 bucks or something. I don't know. No, Emily has more than that. She has whatever. I don't know. She started out with like 200 and something. Now she's probably got like, how much have we lost? I don't know, 50 bucks or something.
Probably almost $80, dude.
Okay. Well, how much does like Haley have and stuff? Because she's the one that was low.
Log
Emily's-
into her account. I don't know.
Emily's fine.
Log into Haley's account.
I'm afraid to, dude.
No, you should just do it.
I'm afraid to look at those people's accounts. I'm afraid to look at their accounts, dude. Because I mean, I don't know. I'm just going along with you. Oh, my dad has 53. Okay, so that's fine. But Haley had, I don't know what Haley had.
That's not gonna like show that on the screen, is it?
No, I just I'm doing it on another screen here. I'm doing it on another screen so they don't see it. Oh, she got 94.23. Okay.
Okay.
So we could go 6 deep.
Let's do that, dude.
I mean, Emily can do it. And
I don't think we're gonna go. It only matters if we go to that 6 trade, and I don't know that we're gonna go that deep.
Right.
I mean, tonight was just kind of a fluke. I don't know what the heck happened. Well, once we lost the 4th one, we kind of didn't give a crap, and then we just started making stupid trades. And I got everybody back to where we started, and then blew $50 from there.
I think I told you we should have stopped by then. Okay, my Emily has 150. So she's fine.
What about Matt? Do you know Matt's
No,
info?
he's probably fine, dude. But we'd have to do $1. We'd have to do 6 deep. We'd have to win 12 trades a day. What's the 6 deep percentage? 6 deep is 0.0177
179 or something.
734. Then we'd have to win.
Well, I don't know because you got it at 0.5. You know, like the makeups it.
We'd have to win 18 trades to get what the same growth that we were doing at 4. We'd have to win 18.
I think it's 10.
No, it's to get 24% growth. It's 18.
Look at okay, yeah, it's not as much. Look at the 30-day mark.
Oh, the 30-day mark? Oh, you're
Yeah,
looking
what
at
are you making at 30?
$600,000, like $600,000. So if you
No,
do it
at 10 deep, at 10 wins. Look
10
at the
wins,
30.
you're at 25,000. Starting at $15. Is that what we're going to start at? No, you can't start at 15.
No, you start at like 60 or 7 or $100 or whatever.
Yeah, you have to start at 100, right?
Okay, and then at day 30, winning 10 a day, what are you making?
170,000.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, 116,000. You have to 6 deep. Dude, I think we're going to have to do that. I think we're going to have to go to 6 deep.
Well, that's what I said last night, dude. I was like, I trust my abilities to do this. I trust my method. I trust, my method didn't lose badly for us today. We lost 4, but I don't know that they were all textbook trades either.
I think we should screw your method. I think we should just do what we did tonight and just look at charts and go, this is going to the white line. Yep. I mean, this whole engulfing candle has to be engulfing, all this stuff. I mean, dude,
We just have to win. It doesn't matter what strategy we're using. We just have to win 10 trades.
Yeah, because at day 20, you're making 89,000. This is at 12 wins a day, and then at day 30, you're making 400,000. So by the time you get to day 20, by the time you get to day 22, you're making 100,000 a year. You're making $400 or $500 a day. That's what I want to be at. I want to be at like $400, $500 a day.
Right.
Oh crap! So what's your account at now?
353.
Wager 100. I'm going to start at level 1 again to win this level. 1665. This level.
I mean, 4 is kind of shallow, but 6 is only 2 more than that. But
full growth of this to win this level is 83.35. But look at Alejandro, dude. He's only losing like 1 in between here and there.
yeah, okay. Okay. I'm not Alejandro.
I know, but I mean, to win this level 83.
And there are days where, look at us the other day. We didn't lose. We placed 8 trades and only lost 1. I mean, it just depends on the day, dude. Those are his odds right now. We don't know that tomorrow he won't lose 12 trades in a row. I mean, it just happens. I mean,
100. Oh. So you have to win $16. Yeah, I mean, the problem is, I don't know. I'm kind of mad at us tonight because, dude, we actually had we both called a winning trade before we lost. We both called one
Yeah.
that we were like, no, we shouldn't take that one. I was like, yeah, it's probably going to win. That one's going to win. Like, I don't feel that one. And I was like, dude, this one's going to win. You're like, I was like, I don't know. And then we picked the dumb one that we lost.
Isn't that what usually happens?
You know why though? Because we're stupid. We don't stick with our one strategy because both of those trades were in strategy. And we were like, and then they
Because when you get down to that final trade, it's do or die.
is that what happened? Is that what happened to us? Is it because
I think if I
we
would
just-
have said, hey, let's put it back to $11, let's just leave one big loss on the table and just stay at 11, it wouldn't have felt as rough. Okay, because we would have lost one trading session. That's it. And if we would have used that as a stop loss, maybe that's a lesson to be learned in the future. If we do that, it puts us back one day. If we lose that, that's it.
if we lose what? If we lose the third trade and don't make the fourth?
Yeah, if we lose if we lose that third trade, we lost the $11 trade.
Yeah.
If instead of placing the $27.50 trade, which blows the rest of it, if we had placed another $11 trade, now we could have just stopped and went back to $2.90, and we would have lost one trading day. That's it. You know,
Right.
see, we could stick with that with the same thing. I mean, if we just wanted to stick with 4, we could make that a rule. We blow 3. If we lose the third, we go back. We just go back a level because that blows. It doesn't blow your whole $15 from where we were at. From where we were, like you place that $27.50 and lose it. It takes you back. It wipes you out. It wipes out the $15 you started with. It puts you in a deficit. I'm trying to see where we were. So from let's see. $18.30 is what we would have lost had we lost that third trade and said, okay, we're done. Now we started off with $425. So it would have put us back a few days. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But we would not have been out of the game altogether. But, now let's say that we had placed that other. If we had placed another $11 trade and lost it, we would have lost a total of $29.30. And we had already had a win or two. So remember, we already had a couple of wins. So it would have put us back to like level 2 or something.
Right.
But I get it. We wanted to take that last trade because, that's what it's there for. But if you lose it, I mean, it's a big risk. Did you just take a trade?
Yeah.
Well, on what?
Well, realistically, dude, my dad's account and my account are blown out for $100. We can't even do a $100 thing. I'm doing Alejandro's thing now. I'm testing it.
In live?
Yeah. I mean, maybe I should test it in demo. Yeah.
Are you a nut, dude? This is not your strategy.
Well,
This is
look at it.
someone else's.
Boom, boom. It hits boom, 30-second candles, 2-minute trade. I mean, it's either going to do it or not do it. It's $5. I don't know. It seems to be like I seem to do pretty good with it earlier, and he seems to be doing really good with it. I don't know. He's probably got some like super strategy that he's on. He's probably got like some sort of super knowledge or something.
You don't know what he's doing. I mean, you know
Well,
that he's doing well with it now, but you also, dude, think of how you would sound if you went onto somebody's live feed and said, yeah, we've been winning 15 trades a night without going 5 deep for the last, 5
last
nights.
week or whatever. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, he's doing
Well, your
good.
strategy like really works really well, right? But
Yeah.
yeah, I kind of just want to stick with your strategy. I think if we like we said, if we had a blowout or if we didn't do it, we're going to stick with your strategy, completely stick with your strategy and go.
Let's go 6 deep with it.
Why does that say it's 69%? That's so dumb. It says 84%. Why does that say 69%?
Where?
That trade that it says
Because you took a
69.
trade on a 69% chart.
Oh, maybe I did. Yeah, maybe. See, now I think it's broke above that. I think it's probably going to lose.
Not
Well,
only
for
did you
sure
take
it's
an-
going to lose. It's only got 10 seconds left. Dang. Okay, that's not good. Should probably quit doing that. But I need to win some more trades before I can follow. You know. All right, let's end the podcast. Oh, but what we said was if we lose on this, we're not going to change anything except for we're going to just go deeper. And I
Mhm.
think that's right.
Smartest thing to do.
All right, well, let's do that. I'll see you later.